Welcome back to another live stream. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's having a good afternoon. The one thing I want to ask is what in the absolute whatever is going on with these AMC candles? What is this? Remember, they've got about 20 million shares that they can use to try to short us down. This is a 823,000 volume 5-minute candle. And it just, like, out of nowhere, down. This isn't this SPY candle right here. Like, you count back 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. 1, 2, 3. That's this candle. 2 candles ago, it's a little tiny red on the SPY. And AMC gets a giant doom candle. From 1609 to a low of 50. I mean, it's not. Okay, never mind. It's not that big. But it's pretty big. That's pretty crazy. Oxy tanked. No, it didn't. It's still up 3.8% on the day. Oxy looking bullish to you? Dude, oil is getting sparked right now. Absolutely sparked. We have crude at 111.02. We've got Brent at 114. I have no idea how Oxy is holding up this good or this well. Or Exxon. Okay, Exxon is now starting to sell off. Interesting. Amy's coming up. SPY's coming up. I do still have those SPY calls that I'm holding into the end of the day as a little bit of a YOLO. GME's coming up. But how is oil down 10%, Brent and WTI, in these oil stocks moving? It is so strange. So strange. All right, guys. Yeah, as you're filtering in, you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot. Gets more people in here. Let's see. AMC choppy like it's Friday. Dude, it's insane. Guessing BMBL. Are you talking about Bank of America Merrill Lynch? BAML? What's Bumble? Oh, Bumble? Oh, they have a big Bumble stake. Oh, gotcha. Lucky just go already. I don't know. It's very weird that oil stocks just are not moving. It's just weird. How is crude? Because we would see oil rip and then the stocks would go. Now oil is down. Like if we saw a 10% green day today on oil, Oxy, Exxon, all these stocks would be exploding. It would have been insane. SPY puts oil calls strong. I have SPY calls right now. I think we could squirrel. Squirrel. Where you at, squirrel? You gonna help me see? You're up 40% on Micron? Calls or puts? I got out of the Micron puts a little early today. I took a little tiny gain on it, but too crowded in oil right now? Maybe. Yeah, this is weird. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'll hold the strangle for a while, see what happens. I might still have the Exxon puts from the strangle. I mean, I took the 160% gain on the call, so it's free, but we'll see. GME's at 108, up 4.84% right now. We got AMC up 3.9%. Not bad. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move up here. Not too bad. Nothing makes sense on SPY today. Dude, this literally feels like unreasonable land right now. Like the upside down from like Stranger Things. Oxy is green. Oil is down 10%. What is going on? I understand that they have ex-dividend or the special dividend stuff today, but that should not be enough. That's not enough. Like, this is craziness today. If you're green today and you're like decently green today, you crushed it. Like whatever you're doing, you crushed it. Like this is just wildness today. I mean, you could have gotten SPY calls and just ripped it up here like this, but I mean, this is just wildness today. Micron going up. Okay, this calendar is freaking me out over here. Odds say SPY down. You usually say that though. You're usually right, but we haven't really seen a green SPY finish in a couple of days. Like, not really. All right, Micron. What's up? All right, Exxon coming down. What are these Exxon puts at? Micron. Oh, wow. Wow. Micron actually coming up here a little bit. There you go. U.S. to talk to Venezuela about other persons held. I mean, like, prisoners? It's kind of weird. What was I looking at? Exxon puts. Yeah, they're down a little bit. They're down like 45%. It's a good thing I had those calls earlier this week, though. All right, SPY coming down to test that 13 EMA over here. Exxon puts are printing. There you go, man. They should be. Like, this is wild. Is there news coming out that would sell SPY and buy oil? No, they wouldn't be buying oil. Nobody's buying oil right now. It's down 10, 11%. lot of oil sells going through. So if oil's going to sell off like this, I mean, where's Lockheed? Lockheed's probably getting hammered. Yeah, I mean, it's coming down. It's not hammered, but like things are starting to move. The overall market conditions might be starting to change a little bit on us. So let's see what we get over here, people. 2.8% is reasonable, is unreasonable. No, I understand. Dude, it's so unreasonable. How is the SPY up today 2.85%? Are the market makers trying to do something about all these puts? They might be. Like we saw like a decent red day yesterday, red day the day before. It's like, I mean, things are just weird, man. Like it's so strange. So good thing we have 1348 to carry us through this, man. This is crazy. Football factor, my CEI thoughts have not changed. If I do anything on CEI, shares and puts. Shares and puts. That's all I would do. I'm not doing it right now. I'm not doing anything on CEI, but that's what I would do. Let's see. SPY going to 432, then selling off. I'm down. Let's do it today. Let's do it like now. Run it, SPY. Go. Where's it on the STC? Still says sell on the STC. It's above RSI is above 60, I think. RSI 57 on the SPY. Not bad. It's just hanging around that 9 EMA on the 5-minute, which is also basically the 13. Amy, 1603, 4% green day over here. Not bad. Stupid red dot not on again. Dude, YouTube's been such an a-hole to us recently. If you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream. It's all I ask for. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see here. Oxy. I don't know. Maybe oil goes on a run into the end of the day. I have no idea. Amy's popping. Here we go. Come on. Let's get to 17. Oxy moves inverse of oil. Today it does. Today it does. For some reason, it just decided, hey, I'm not going to move with oil today, which sucks because I have my strangle. Like I was right on oil. That's the thing. I wish I could have just strangled like the price of Brent and WTI. Like that's what I mean, I could have done it on USO. USO, I think, is having a terrible day. That's not the right one. See, I could have done it on USO so that would have, damn it. Like it rips Friday or rips here. When's this? The 4th? That was probably Friday-ish, this one of these. And then just goes boom all the way down. So USO would have been the one to do it on, but I don't know. We still have 2 days left on the Oxy strangle. It could move. It could easily move. So that's a daily chart on Oxy. Oxy's up 3%. This is freaking insane. All right, let's see. That was the SPY here. How's the SPY not selling off yet? Why do you think the SPY is going to sell off? The trend is up today. Oil was obviously going to get down today. Drilling more. No, it wasn't obvious because they what do you call it? They said that they were going to stop taking oil, like working with Russia. So everybody thought oil was going to rip, which then it comes down. But then, okay, the thing is I don't care which way oil is going to go. That's not what the position was for. It was for a big move in oil. We got our big move in oil. We got it. Like we have our big move in oil. It just didn't. Let me see. I'll shoot TMI the link real quick. Let's see. Mass Gang, what's up, people? All right, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as well. Helps out a whole lot. All right, let's see if Amy can make a new day high over here. 1 penny off. Let's get some boom booms here, huh? Let's get some boom booms in the SPY. Let's get some boom booms in AMC, GME. Oil cooling off. Don't sleep on it going into the summer. See, I would have to agree with that. How do you draw the green zone boxes on Webull? You hit this draw thing, and then you hit this parallel thing, and then you click this arrow, and then you hit rectangle. Let's see. We are drilling for more, hence it will be cheaper. No reliance on Russia and price fixing. True. Fair. But, I mean, okay, so then oil stocks should sell off. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Like, they all should be down horrendously. TMI says put season on Oxy. I mean, I think so too. This morning, like, if we opened at this 50-50, I would have been thrilled. I would have sold my puts, been a happy camper, but now I got to wait for it to just tank on more oil downtrend news. All right, SPY, let's go. Get up there, SPY. TLT Doom. Ooh. TLT coming down hard. Watch SPY start to get some action. Let's see here. SCB, we want the SPY down. No. No, we don't. Why would we want the SPY down today? It's just all it's doing is trending up. Can it reverse? Yes. Can it also continue to just rip? Absolutely. Looking for AMD 200%. Careful, buddy. Careful, my man. All right, people. Let's see what we're going to get over here. A little bit of a sulking on the SPY. Let's see if the STC on the 5 minutes going to come back for us. That's what we need. If we get this STC cross up on the SPY before like 2, we'll probably be good to go. RSI is still in a good spot. If it starts to curl back up, we'll be good to go. How do I keep from losing too bad on my leaps without selling? You can sell deeper out of the money calls, or you can sell deeper out of the money calls with a shorter time to expiration and just collect the premium. So it's like a calendar spread. SPY flickering. TLT trying to come up here a little bit. Amy 1605 looking decent across the board over here. What's the range of your SPY demand zone? It's like big, dude. They're not like they're a little bit too big, I think. So it's 425 all the way up to 434. Like it's a big zone, but the upper and lower ends of the zones are solid, man. I should probably try to tighten them up a lot and just make difference. Oh, Amy at the previous day high. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Time to run. Let's go. Let's see. Do you share the details of your options when you place them live? Yeah. I don't tell you the strikes, but I tell you like what I'm getting and the strategy behind it. We all typically end up going for the similar strikes though, because that's everybody knows the strategy at this point. Let's see. If you want to learn more about it, we do have that. So this today, tomorrow, and Friday are going to be the last days that we're going to be doing that little free trial run for you guys for the alerts in the 1348 Discord. So if you want to try it out, make sure you hop in there. There's no reason why you shouldn't go try it out. It's free. Let's see. Break over 110. We moved to 115. You talking about GME? Oh, AMD. Gotcha. The guys on the pole? Who's the guys on the pole? Come on, SPY. Let's go here. If Amy breaks 1625, we're going to run a little bit, I think. I think so, too. Why 1625, though? What's important about 1625? Is that this? Yeah. So it's previous day high. Or the day high, yesterday's high. All right, SPY. SPY contract still down a little bit. I'm holding them, though. I'm holding them. I'm ready for some wild SPY gains on some 0 day here. Let's see. If not, it's not. I just used the last of the settled cash for it. I watch the videos, but I'm confused on which expiration to choose when I use the 5 minute. The closest one. I use the closest one. Micron new day high. Yeah, I got no settled cash left for it, but like, if you like it, run it. I mean, it already did the 1348 crossover here. So Micron crossed here. Where is this? 79. That would have sucked right here, and then it goes all the way up to 80. So wait, 79.37. That's not bad. That's like a dollar. What's that? $1.50? That's not bad at all. SPY, this is not what we need out of you right now. You have 30 minutes to make a new day high and get the STC on the 5 minute to cross. Hit that like button, people. Silent death. I appreciate that, man. Can I get DraftKings? Of course. PKNG. What do we got here? Oh, wow. DraftKings. Pop. Have you seen the crazy VIX candle that just popped? This one? I mean, I'm guessing it's this on UVXY. I mean, VIX. Oh, that's drunk right here. That's insane. It's like drunk. Barcode down. This is weird. That's weird. What do we want? Oxy, how's this thing doing? SPY, time to shine. Here we go. We're looking for that 5 minute MACD cross here, and then the STC to cross on the 5 minute. That's what I want over here. Did it cross on the 3 yet? I mean, that's the precursor. No, it crossed on the 1. It's been up on the 1. Okay, so I'll look at it on the 3 for now. Charge point broke out. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. I had those. I sold it off for a little bit more cash. Yeah, charge point back up to the day high. I mean, I still crushed it on the charge point trade, so I'm not too mad about it. What time is it in EST right now? So confused at the time. I'm in St. Thomas. It's 1:30 Eastern, buddy. 1625 is the 200 EMA on the 20-minute. Ah, gotcha. Okay, so charge point coming up. SPY holding here. I think with this. So here's kind of what I think here. I think with the nonsense that we've seen in the market today, I think it's possible that the SPY goes on a moon mission. It's possible. I don't know. This is just SPY random YOLO guessing. This is what it is right here. I have no idea. But with what we've seen today in the market, just being a complete wild person, it's like, all right, let's see what's going to happen. Let's see. Bumble to sell off hard and to close. Yeah, maybe. I think it's. I just think these oil moves are weird. I'm gonna hold these oxy puts and calls. I did make money on that rip though. That was nice. You're strangling forward. Yeah, make sure you give yourself a little bit of time on the strangles. The oxy strangle, I probably could have gotten another week on it. Probably should have gotten another week on it. It's fine though. Let's see here. All right, guys. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button too. Helps out a whole lot. What are we at now? Oh, slackers. Looks like LMT wants to make a move back down. Yeah, the Lockheed trade that I had, I should have strangled it. Should have strangled it. So SPY looks like it's trying to get support at 428 here. Let's see what happens. Not so much. If AMC rips again, I'll wear a dress. That's weird. But okay, cool. Run it. Mullen, is Mullen coming up? Right, SPY back down to the 13 EMA. Mullen. Nah, just descending, just channel here. Looks like SPY had Pepto instead of Taco Bell last night. Yeah. Yeah. You ever like have a bunch of Taco Bell, then like right after you just feel like relieved and so much better? I think that's what SPY did last night. Pretty sure. Pretty sure. That's financial advice right there. SPY eating Taco Bell. If the SPY moves 1% more, then it'll have crossed and then head to the 200 EMA on the 1 hour. What's that? Hey man, I'd love to see it. We just crossed the last hour candle. We crossed that 1348 here. So what's it? I mean, is the 2 hour coming up soon? No, that's gonna take a little while, but the 1 hour, interesting. You feel like what's gonna start? The squeeze? I don't know about that, man. Who told you that? Who told you that? He follows your daddy, admit it. If that was true, I'd probably end up in what's the child services thing called? Is that what it's called? Child Protective Services, CPS? Is that what it is? That's probably where I'd end up. Let's see. Absolute madness. The European markets, 587. Jeez, man. Yeah, we kind of, I think Euro closed is when we started to go. DCF, is that what it is? I thought it was CPS, something like that. Discounted cash flow. Check Neo. Oh, did Neo hold and really go nutty? Is that 21? Oh, that was good. Okay, so the Neo trade this morning, if you guys held it, you did really good. I think I took like 20, 30% on it. There was no 1348. It had some momentum. Everything started to look good over here. And I was like, no, I'll take a little bit on it. And I was just like, in and out, quick flip. Thank you very much. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Depends on the state. Okay. Well, that's where I would end up. Whatever it is in whatever state, that's probably where I would end up. All right. So SPY's touching that 25 MA again. Ah! Is today March 3rd? No. Sadly not. Today is March 3rd squared. Fair enough. SPY. We were looking at a 5-minute MACD cross now, and then you just said 1608 AMC. DCFS, Department of Children and Family Services. Yeah, that's where I would end up. That's exactly where I would end up. Because imagine if you had to listen to like the all the time, dude, you'd go insane. Did margin calls happen at 1 p.m.? No, we got like 25 minutes until margin calls. All right, Neo trying to come back up here. Amy 1607, a couple cents off that previous day high, which is nice. Squirrel Protective Services. I told you, rug pull. Patience, my friend. This might be another situation where I end up like not listening to Squirrel and then it burns me, but it's fine. Let's see. Thank you for your honor. What have I done? I haven't done anything. Let's see. All right. 427.64. I don't think Biden's talking today. Where's the RSI? Oh, little pop. Come on, SPY. You can do it. Jesus. WTI's at 109. It's down 11.76% today. And Oxy is green. It's green. This is aneurysm central right here. Just the oil stock moves today. Aneurysm central. Let's see. SPY broke down yesterday at 130. Not going to do it today. Oxy about to rip. It might. Jen Psaki's. She doesn't really move the markets that much. Psaki doesn't really move markets. White House Live, they're talking. Psaki's talking, but that doesn't. Oxy puts. I have Oxy puts and calls. I had Oxy calls today and I made some money on it. You don't know what you have done. That's why it's good. I thank you. Okay, Lurkin. I appreciate it. I still don't know what I've done. SPY, this is unacceptable. UVXY coming back up. Oh, brother. She talks a lot but says nothing. Exactly. Nothing ever is said in those meetings. In the Psaki's, she never says anything. She's a professional, like, dodgeball player, but with questions. She's just like, whew! She's just dodging all these questions from everybody. Hit the like. Apes. Andrew, appreciate that, buddy. Amy back down to that 13 EMA. Oxy trying to come up here a little bit. Dude, I don't even know what to do with Oxy here. I'm going to hold it, see what happens. It's got to move somewhere. All right. SPY. Uh-oh. This is looking similar to yesterday. Do you know what happened yesterday? I took the 920 on the 3-minute, and it's doing it right now, and then it capitulated. So, Squirrel, it looks like you're going to be right. Smash that like. Thank you, Pam. I appreciate that. Tyler said Amy could see 14 and bounce very soon. It could. I mean, nobody. It's hard to say where. I mean, if the technicals are saying that, it could go down there. We've seen it down there many times. TLT still going down hard. All right, SPY. Yeah, hold on. TLT. What the heck? Come on now. TLT going to the floor over here. SPY, it's time to go, buddy. We need this money out of TLT to come over here. Don't link up with TLT. Don't see what they're doing. Don't get peer pressured. We're not gonna have any peer pressure out of you today, SPY, with this TLT move. Oh man, here comes the TLT. Your TLT puts are printing. I mean, maybe mine are too. I don't know, man. Let's see. No. If we all buy 100,000 shares, I predict MOAS. Nathan, you're onto something, buddy. I think you're onto something there, pal. Let's see. When selling your options, use market or limit. Limit. I think I accidentally did a market order today, though. It was a complete accident, though. Like, complete accident. All right, what have we done here before? Okay. Money scared after that oil move? Right, but like oil down would mean everything up. It's science. Nathan, you're onto something, buddy. Close the TLT window so Spy can't see it. No, we need Spy to see TLT and be like, wait, I remember. I go the opposite way usually of TLT. What's up, Kyle? How you doing, buddy? UVXY is rising. Oh boy, Micron better rip out my heart and eat it. Oxy, WTF? What's it doing? Is it ripping still? Oxy is so drunk today. Why not trade market? Okay, so if you have a wide spread, they're going to fill you at whatever they want, and then you're going to get your eyes ripped out. I don't trust the market maker to fill me at a good price. Oh, bloop, bloop. Hello, hello. How you doing, buddy?
The internet back. We got the
you did?
back.
There we go.
Oh my god.
Oxy is the stupidest thing I've ever seen today.
Oxy's been a wild boy.
Dude, I bought more calls on it as oil was tanking and Oxy was ripping. And I just flipped him quick, got out, and I was like, this is just stupid.
Where's Oxy at right now? Oxy's going back up again.
Dude, and oil's down 10, 11, 12%.
This is interesting. It's bouncing off the VWAP nicely. I don't know, bro. Honestly, I don't know. I was gonna buy puts on Oxy when I got off just now, and I was like,
I was so
let me just
excited
wait a little
about
bit.
my the put side of my strangle this morning when it was at 50-50. I was like, oh, I'm gonna make so much money. And then it just moon mission. I was like, what are you doing?
Dude, spy puts right now. I think you're gonna pay.
I have calls.
You now?
Yeah, well, I got them a while ago.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, it's up huge today. Okay.
I know. I'm thinking that the irrational nature of the market today is going to continue. I also just used the last of my settled cash, so it's not like it's a normal trade.
Okay, I got you. I was like, it's already up 2.6%. But if you wrote it on the way up, then that's gangster.
Yeah. I'm just trying to thinking, like, I think the market is really stupid today, and I think it's going to continue being stupid. Also, TLT, look at this
thing. Move? Yeesh.
It's just nothing. Nothing's moving like it. Did you see the VIX move? Something weird is going on.
9 days, man. 9 days. What's happening in 9 days?
Is it March 3rd?
What?
Is March 3rd in 9 days?
Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, that's hilarious. I just got to that. I was just like, March 3rd already passed, right? But no, that's funny. It's the March 3rd extended after hours after the hours.
Yeah, today is March 3rd squared.
Holy shit, March 3rd. Oh, what craziness. Can you imagine? Something weird going on. Honestly, the first 10 minutes today, the first 10 minutes, the first 20 minutes of the stock market, my plays were horrible.
I didn't know what to do this morning. I do not know what's going on. I was like, I don't know.
I got stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out 3-4 times easy. Like 1.5% losses. Like if it didn't go my direction at all, I was out. I was just like playing it. I got like 5% wins, 2% loss, 2% loss, 2% loss, 5% win. I was just like, no direction, no like momentum. No, I was just like, all right, you know what? This is dumb. I'm doing a lot of work for no money. This is just.
I was cutting stuff so quick. Like I played Micron puts, cut it quick. I played Neo calls. Well, it wasn't a 1348 on the Neo, so I cut it quick anyway. I was like, yeah, I don't know.
Dude, cut those calls, man. Spy's coming down.
Amy's ripping.
I know they're moving in the inverse. This is beautiful.
Guys, negative beta. Let's go.
This is beautiful.
Oh, it's ripping right now.
Yeah.
X is ripping. Stop. Get that. No, stop it. No steal.
Come on. Spy, don't play with me. Just drop. Just hit the floor really quickly, and then you can bounce up like a nice basketball.
Yeah, exactly. I'm waiting for you to make those margin calls at 2 p.m.
Oh, I do need to head to that around 2 p.m. Yeah, it's a good idea. Get these guys, get their act together.
Exactly. Oh man.
Oh.
Here comes the spy down. Squirrel. Looks like you were right, pal. Unless it's gonna bounce off the 48 and go on a moon mission.
I'm just gonna take some profits right now.
There you go, dude.
Just in
AMC is
case.
making new highs.
Just in case.
I love it. There we go. Negative beta.
Negative beta. Okay, that's not bad. It wasn't as much profit as I thought. This thing needs to drop. I'm gonna leave a couple guys in there just in case.
That's not a bad idea. Are they dailies or week or are they Friday?
I bought them for Friday. So they didn't pay as much as I thought. That move I thought could have been like a 25% move, depending on how far it came down. It was like 15.
That's not bad.
Like, okay, it's all right. Take it and go. I think the data that comes out tomorrow is gonna be one of those things where it's like the market is gonna react. Like, I don't care what happens tomorrow, the market's gonna react. Yeah. Like, I don't care what happens tomorrow, the market's gonna react, I believe, poorly in comparison to where it is right now, but maybe better to where it finishes the day. Like, if this market comes down to like 420 for SPY or 424, I think it'll come up more positive than where it currently is. But I don't think we're gonna finish the week this high.
I agree.
Because this is just
these last 2 days have been weird, dude.
Yeah, SPY's up 2.5% right now. It was up 2.9%. It's almost up 3% today. That's the
crazy.
biggest rip that we've seen in like 2 years.
Yeah, we saw like the biggest red day yesterday too. It's like, what is going on?
Oh, I should not have touched my puts at all. What am I doing? What did I just do? Oh, I should not have touched those puts.
What time is it?
Oof, don't look at that.
We're gonna go hedging.
Oh, days. Okay, here comes AMC back down a little bit. So let me pull up UVXY and see what's popping. Oxy is starting to run now. Holy shit.
Dude, it makes no sense.
I think it's just moving inverse to the market. Like it stopped coupling with whatever the hell it was moving with before. Yeah, UVXY is ripping right now. Oh, wow. Oh,
I got some big boy YOLOs on it. Not like I like literally with the last of the settled cash. It's like if these print, that'll be hilarious.
You have big YOLOs on what?
SPY.
Going down or up?
Down.
Now?
Yeah.
Nice. There we go.
You know how much I spent?
How much?
$19.
That's big nuts.
I got nothing settled. I was like, all right, I'm just gonna, because they can go. Like, if SPY really starts to sell off a little bit, like they'll just go boom, and I'll just take them off.
Exactly. That's why I want to leave a couple in there, because the couple that I still have in there now, they're up like 50%. But the ones I sold earlier were just like just 2 minutes ago, they're up like 10, 15. I'm like, what the hell is going on here? But if they switch, did you buy like 420s?
Oh no.
You got them like way out.
I mean, yeah.
$19. Okay, I can probably figure it out. You probably got like 15s. But mind you, if the floor drops,
Yeah. If it breaks out of this zone, oh, dunzo.
It's gone. So we'll see. I like it. All right, buddy. I'm gonna get some food.
All right, have some fun. Thanks for popping in. I think he froze. I think TMI's Wi-Fi is gone. I'll remove him. I think he's frozen. How did you only spend $19? I have a coupon. I have a coupon. Just kidding. I don't know. I have a coupon. Watch. Let's see how much they're up right now. This is funny. All right, he's frozen. I got to take him off. All right, people. Let's see. If you guys don't mind, as you're filtering in, hitting that like button on the stream helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. Let's see. I have a coupon. Exactly. Let's see. All right. Oxy doing its thing over here. Hit the like, people. Shining Fox, I appreciate that. Did you say frozen? I did. Let's see. 400. No, they're not 400s. All right, folks. I told you I have a coupon. I have a deal with the SPY. They give me cheap contracts. I'm just kidding. I just bought really big YOLOs. It's at the gap fill. That's what it is. It's at the gap fill. It's not going to. Oxy should be down. I agree with you. It should be tanking right now. Oh, bye-bye, SPY. Boop, boop, boop. GME, 108.30. Holding up nicely here. Amy, 1609. Let's see. SPY's moving down here. Let's see. MKD, baby run. Molecular data. Oh, that thing's ripping over here. SPY down, Oxy up. Where's oil right now? I swear if it's still under 110. This is crazy. This is 1 cent times 19 contracts. Dude, I wish. That would have been funny. We've done that before. Where like I'll spend like really, really tiny amounts of money and then they'll just go boom. And then it's just like, all right, well, this is stupid. Is honey attached to your trading account? Yeah, exactly. It's a coupon code. I just searched for the best deal. No likes for you. Space Monkey? Why not? Mara Taco Bell? Yeah. Where is it? Bitcoin selling? Mara. A little Taco Bell there. They had like one crunch wrap. Oxy swallowed some Taco Bell. Anyone here from Scandinavia? Sorry, Lurkin, I'm not. All right, people. What do we got going on here? We got SPY flickering around. Looks like it wants to come down. Squirrel's probably printing right now, as he does. You're up 100% on Exxon. Damn. Damn. There you go. Oxy, what happened with Oxy? Just utter nonsense today on this thing. It's weird. So let's see if it corrects the move tomorrow and just goes wild. Dude, I'm furious. I almost bought an $84 strike on Exxon or a 162 for CVX, but no, I get Oxy and it decides to run more oil tanks. Dude. It doesn't make any sense. It literally makes 0 sense. All right, SPY back up here. Let's see if it's going to go on a run. Press secretary just got done talking. Biden about to have a speaking event. Ooh. Where is it? Is it today? Is it today? Do you know why the Norwegian Navy puts barcodes on their ships? It's so they can scan the Navy into... Okay. All right. All right. MKD is like the Amazon of chemicals. Heads up. Oh, that's kind of cool. Biden in 8 minutes. Oh, man. We're not. But you guys couldn't behave yourselves yesterday, so I don't think we're going to do it again. At 1. Okay, so like at 3. All right, let's see. 2 p.m. EST. So Biden's making the margin calls today. Interesting. All right, SPY. What do we got? You said Biden's not talking today. Why did you lie? I don't know. I said I don't think he's talking today. He talked yesterday. Everybody was like, he's going to speak at 10, and then he never spoke. So I was like, I don't think he's talking today. All right, Oxy, what are you going to do here? Oil is literally plummeting right now, and you're just like, meh, I don't care. SPY doing a whole lot of nothing over here. Let's see. Looks like the SPY is bouncing on the 200, on the 1 and the 30 minute. We're looking at the 1 hour, I think. That's the AMC. Yeah, so SPY trying to bounce off this 200 over here in the 1 hour. You got that 1348 cross. Looks like it wants to go a little bit. Yeah, 200 EMA. I see that. I see that. All right, here, people. Let's see what we get on SPY. I wonder if Biden is asking people if STV is talking today. He knows. He knows I'm talking. I'm always talking. All right, AMC, 1609. Solid day so far, up 4.5%. Not too bad. GME coming up a little bit here, 5.42%. Not too bad. All righty, team. What do we got? Let's see over here. Bing bong. The price is wrong. All right. Folks, you buy SPY puts, it goes up. Well, it's like, why did you buy SPY puts though? That's the question. It's like, why? Like the market is so irrational today. It could just literally be flat into close. Like this is just the weirdest day of SPY. 4 minutes from now, President Biden meets with CEOs and governors in support of our bipartisan Innovation Act. Okay, cool. Oxy holding the 200 on the 1 minute, it seems. Gotcha. Love this game. Yeah. AMC likes the 13 email. It's right at the 13 right now. Been head faked all day. Yeah, today is one of those days where it's just head fake city. Blockbuster ripping. Just kidding. Funny guy over here. All right, folks. Let's see what we have. Oxy still looking decent. I need it to move giant up or giant down. It's literally almost directly in the middle of my strikes. It is at, I have the 60 and the 50s. Also bounce off yesterday's high. Bed Bath & Beyond, please. Bobby. Oof. Big shark fin on this thing. You tend to get caught in head fake city. There's a lot of traffic over there. Are we in March Madness? I would probably. I don't know. I have no idea. You just rented The Big Short on VHS. That's cool. Yeah, it's on. I know it's on Amazon Prime. I don't know why you rented it on VHS. I didn't even know they made VHSs anymore. Amy popping up a little bit here. 1612. We are at max pain for STV's strangle. Yeah, exactly. Essentially, we're basically at max pain for my strangle. He rented it from Blockbuster. Radio Shack squeeze tomorrow. What are you guys talking about today? You just saying things. Like you're just like, oh yeah. Watch some clips from The Big Short on TV or on YouTube earlier. There you go. Oil drops more than 10% if the Ukraine says it's prepared to compromise with Russia. Okay, well, Doxy, move. SPY 3 minute 1348 downside. Ooh. Pray for Oxy to rip. SC wasn't even born yet when they stopped making VHS tapes. That's not true. I have a bunch of VHSs somewhere. They're all like Disney movies, I think. All right, so SPY's just hanging around this 48 EMA over here. Let's see. Margin call is good too. Margin call is not bad. You don't really know what they did. You kind of understand what they did, but like not really. Lockheed crossed down on the 5, might go big. Yeah. It's got some room to fall. Lockheed's got some room to fall here. So note to self, anytime I'm going to play something overnight, get more time than I think I need and strangle it. Let's see. Vix owns the whole collection of Barney on VHS. You know what? I have Barney's Christmas, I think, on VHS. Like, pretty sure I have that somewhere. Not here, but like I did have it. Oxy 1 hour chart is very bullish. I'm so confused. It's all confused. Like, today is weird. It's almost like a I wish I just didn't trade today type of day. Like, yeah, we had some gains here and there. We took the charge point, had some micron and stuff like that. And the Oxy flip was good. But other than that, it's like, what is this? Let's see. Big buy orders coming through the level 2 for Oxy. That's insane. They must think that the oil run's not over. Don't you have 72 hours to sell a marginal cost? I think it's 5 days. For institutions, I believe it's around 5 days, I think. I think that's where it is. Oil. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Anybody want to take a guess at what WTI crude's at now and what it started at today? March 9th. Or no, that's yesterday. March 9th. Is today March 9th? Early this morning. It was at 126. Right now, It's at 108. UVXY going. It's at 108. SV's oxy strangle is strangling SV. Yeah, it's strangling all the oxygen out of my soul. It's weird. I think it's still going to move, but I mean, I don't know, man. It's pretty crazy. WTI halted at 104. Did it? Biden definitely did not say crude to the moon. Biden reinstates California's car, truck, and emission standards. Nikola and Tesla. Interesting. You better make that money because the economy is going to tank. Yeah, that's why we're trading here. I mean, the economy's already tanked. Like, it's already bad. Is he speaking right now? Oh, man. Yeah, I don't think we need any of this. Look out below on SPY or moon mission. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, he's late? Gotcha. Yeah, on MarketWatch it's 109.60. On investing.com it's 108.87, 85 now. Brent's at 111.38. Brent's down 13%. They can't handle it. No, I think you're right. All right, so SPY trying to move here. What's up, man? What's up, GMP? How you doing, buddy? He's literally always late. Yeah, pretty much all the time they're late. I mean, I bet they have like important things to do, you know? Today, March 9th, 9 days before quad witching. Ooh. If he makes oil jump when I have puts and no more settled cash, I'll lose it. I don't think he is. I don't think he's talking oil. All right, let's see here. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys help out. Hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot the algorithm. For those of you guys who have already done it, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And for those of you guys who are about to, special thank you to you guys too. Did we get FINRA data today? Let me look. Yep. Okay. Ooh, wow. Okay, so for AMC, the FINRA data, the settlement date, February 28th, release date today, 19.79% estimated short interest with 2.47 days to cover. What were they estimating on the 28th? Ortex estimate. Is this shares? Yeah, I don't care about that. 28th, what were they estimating? 28th, 20.11. So it's going to come down a little bit. The estimated short interest is probably going to come down a little bit after that number comes out. You're up 54% on Exxon puts. With the way that oil's been moving, you should be up thousands of percent. Like, weird. Edgy tier is yummy. Yeah, it is really good. All right, SPY starting to move up here a little bit. Let's see. Finally finished watching the videos in the Discord. I think I kind of got it down. Cash should settle tomorrow, off Friday, so might be able to trade till then. Can't wait. Rhode Island. Woo, baby. Welcome to the fun zone, man. Yeah, also, again, guys, I'm going to keep bringing it up because I want, like, the thing is that a lot of, like, people are going to be like, why do you have a Discord? You're just trying to, no. We've offered you guys so many free things because we want you guys to just be able to learn the strategy and like figure it out with the alerts. So we're alerting for free on 5 stocks right now. We've been doing it for like the past week or so. We've been talking about it. There's only 2 days left. So everybody should just be in there looking at it, just the free stuff. Just learn it. If you want to join premium after that, awesome. We'd love to have you. There's going to be a lower tier as well for those of you guys that can only use it on the on like the daily time frame, and then we'll still give you those 5 alerts for I think we'll still put them in there. But yeah, the strategy is very, very, very solid. Do you think we will at least hit 42? Eventually, I think we're going to go pretty high, man. All right. SPY's coming back up. Let's see. You've been paper trading on the free. Wish it was going longer, and I haven't had the cash to actually play with. But will benefit. Will bet. But will be next week. Heavily considering it as a paper account is up. Yeah, it's a solid strategy, man. Patrick, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. 1348 saved my portfolio. Thank you, SCV. Everybody, better throw a like and join that Discord if you want to print. Patrick, appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, I mean, we're not over here just being like just selling you guys shit. Like, this works. We want you guys to be able to help yourselves, mainly so that you can, one, buy more AMC if you want to, two, just be able to like kind of withstand these big price movements and be like, yeah, it's not really like, I'm all right. Like, it's not really that big of a deal. Thanks, SV. 1348 got me $800 on DD. There you go, man. All right, SPY's starting to move up here. Let's see if we get that 5-minute MACD cross. That's kind of what I want. Ooh, the STC just signaled buy on the 3-minute. Let's throw it on the 5. Not yet on the 5. I love learning how to fish, not just being given a fish. Exactly. Mr. Grahambot is my best friend. Yeah, man. My Oxy calls made my portfolio go up 50%. Were those the Friday ones that we were yelling about all week? Those were nuts. All right, so AMC right now just kind of bouncing around that 13 EMA over here, 1609. SPY just flickering at that 25 MA over here. Biden live. Okay, I'll get the news. I'll keep the news feed up, but you guys just couldn't handle it yesterday, so we're not going to be doing that. Everybody was like, I don't like it. All right, let's see. Yeah, Patrick, thanks for that super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Amy Pop, SPY chilling. Oxy's just a weirdo. Those SPY puts not doing too hot. My calls are coming back though. So giveth, taketh. So I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. For sure, dude. Least I can do. Patrick, I appreciate that, buddy. All right. So AMC right now, 1612. High of the day, 1626. Oxy trying to come up here. Even though oil is still on the way down, it's at 107.72. And Oxy is just like, whatever, bro. That's hilarious. Just tried to buy a SPY call, no good after 2 o'clock. Yeah, you can't do it on the daily. You can get it that expires Friday, but you won't get as much of a gain. I mean, you're also going to witness less volatility on it too. WTI is now 107, drop from 126. SPY can rip. That's what I'm thinking. That was my thesis. I mean, that could be why SPY is ripped all day though. But if it keeps dropping, like, where is it on the STC on the 5? Hasn't done anything yet. RSI is coming back up. We're about to get a 920 crossover on the 5-minute. Micron on TV. Interesting. Buffett, just do us a favor and sell them shares or buy everything or just literally buy the entire float on Oxy. Just do one or the other, Warren. Warren, stop eating your freaking Big Mac and come help us out. All right, let's see. 1607. We got Micron starting to come up here a little bit. Might be a little no CNBC pump. GME's coming down to that 25 MA over here. SPY 1 minute cross any minute. 30 minute about to cross on Oxy. Jesus, this is craziness. News feed. Here we go. Tesla, Musk, 40 million fine distribution plan imposed by the SEC. Oh God. That's not ideal. I mean, Elon's probably like, screw you. Is Tesla moving off of this or no? Not really. No. GME's coming down. GME's moving off the Tesla news. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. SPY flickering. Yep. Let's see. Chevron gas price was already $5 before this war. I don't think so. Really? This doesn't seem like a very good business model to just spark people on gas when they don't have to. 107.97 on oil. Brandon talking about semiconductors. Oh, he might talk about Intel again. Hold on. He might talk about Intel again. Gonna flicker to 420? No. No. Squirrel, that's aggressive. Disney CEO to meet with Florida governor. Okay. Okay, this is, I feel like I can't say what this says because people are going to get mad at me, but it's like literally what the news thing says. All right, Amy 1608, FSR running a bit, Fisker. Yeah, but is it just doing like a weird, like it already ripped and then it's coming back up? Oh no, Fisker. It's up 4.6%, not bad. Okay, 415. I'd be fine with that with the puts that I have. I think gas is like 4 something where I am. It's something like that. It's something stupid like 4 something. All right, Amy 1607 just kind of flickering. GME back down to the 48. Yeah, that's a touchy one. Yeah, I don't know if I can say that one. Stop disrespecting POTUS, please, or I'm done with your channel. Cool, because I never fucking did that. You're being sensitive. I'm not putting them on because people freak out. Dan, you need to like turn off the sensitivity on that one, pal. Spy puts for Friday. I don't know. I'm gonna go feed Spy some Taco Bell. Am I going to put Biden on? No, because everybody loses their mind and doesn't think about the policy. They're just like, I hate him or stop hating him. It's like, all right, we don't need this. I'll just get the news alerts. Let's see. Goodbye. Okay, bye, Dan. I would like you to point out one time that I was disrespectful towards the president, and then like cool. Just because I don't put him on because everybody's gonna freak out and lose their mind. Like, all right, man. See ya. All right, people. 1608 on Amy. Let's see if Spy's going to make a move. Opposing political sides don't even talking about it. They just pick a side and yell at each other. That's why I don't put it on all the time. I put it on yesterday because I knew he was going to talk about oil, but then everybody lost their mind, and I was like, all right, we're not doing this again. All right, people. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on the stream as you're filtered in. Helps out. Oh, Fisker coming down. Where's Oxy? Nothing. TLT. Where were those 2 p.m. margin calls at, huh? Huh? Let's see. Vince, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Thoughts on fuel cell? I think that those EVs over the long term are going to do well. I think there's going to be winners and losers in the EV space. I don't really know a whole lot about fuel cell, but I think a lot of them, I mean, I think it's, what is it, batteries? Fuel cell, I mean, it sounds like batteries, like EVgo and ChargePoint and all of those. Well, ChargePoint's not batteries, but, or like stuff like in the EVs. I don't, wait, are they EV? Hold on. I could have just completely botched that one. Hydrogen. Yeah, I think I completely botched that. I don't think they're EV at all. Yeah. So I think they're more like a plug. Yeah, hydrogen. That's what it is. Yeah. See, that's what it is. So, I mean, I don't really like plug, but I mean, you could see like if there's a big transition to energy stuff like this, especially with oil doing what it's doing, they could do very well. Like if oil just like comes up and doesn't come down as much as it should. SPY doing a whole lot of nothing over here. Oh boy. Oxy? Oh no, what's it doing? What's it doing? What's it doing? Ah, if it gets this 5-minute MACD, this move on Oxy today was ridiculous. Like, this was craziness. It was just like, boom, 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 boom. And it just kept going. If it what was this? If it gets another 5-minute MACD cross, watch out above. 50-cent pop on Oxy. Yeah, it's not small. That's decent. Amy 1603. Where's oil? 107.62. It just doesn't care what oil's doing. All right, folks. Let's see here. Micron not really moving, but getting national president plug. Yeah, see, I thought they were going to talk about Intel because Intel was the one that they were talking about a lot last time with that thing, and I think it's Ohio during the State of the Union. I think that's around where it was. Glad it went up. Bought my contracts down all morning. They made a good amount on the rip. Trey's mustache. There you go, buddy. You still got some free contracts, right? People are waiting for the Larry Fink interview at 3:30. Oh, we can watch that. Is that on Fox? Cam, where is that? Is it on Fox? We're going to actually watch that. Does anybody know where it's on? I thought it was Fox. It could be CNBC, though. Larry Fink, very important dude. Cash out of Oxy up 145%, still holding many contracts. Jerry, add a freaking boy. You have the strangle in the green at the moment. There you go. Biden effect plus dividend technicals too. Yeah. Here goes the SPY. Down. Sell it. Flush it. Oxy coming up. This thing is crazy. This thing is crazy. All right, run it. Let's go, Oxy. Let's make some money. All right, print my strangle. If you're going to go up, go up. Do it. I dare you. I dare you, Oxy. Let's go. Let's make some money then. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's $1 and 2 5-minute candles. That's not bad. All right, people. Fox Business. Cam, thank you, buddy. I'll get that on at 3:30. We'll watch that going into the end of the day. Where's oil right now? I swear if it's falling down to low 107s, it's holding at 107.85, but Oxy is just... This is insane. Whole account up 25% and climbing. There you go. Oxy insane. 97 million. What's the float? The float's 931 million. So it's like a tenth. 5-minute MACD cross here. SPY doing a whole lot of nothing. Yeah, on Fox Business is on Fox Business channel at 3:30. Yeah, we're gonna listen to that. He's gonna have some decent insights. He's probably gonna like talk about what BlackRock's doing and what's going on with Russia and stuff. SPY so boring today. Give me the SPY roller coaster, please, dude. SPY was crazy over here. Look at this. Up, down, up. Like it doesn't like it's not confirming a move. It made most of the move in the pre-market, or no, it was up 1.9% in the pre-market, so it made a little bit more than half of the move in the pre-market. ASTS squeezing. Yeah, this thing's ripping right here. I wouldn't chase it, but this thing's crazy. 1609 on Amy coming up a little bit here. SPY flickering. Oxy 1348 on the 1 minute. Volume picking up again. Is this really gonna run up? No, not yet. It needs more. It needs more. Oxy dividend investors won't give a shit about WTI crude or Brent. They don't, which is weird. Amy, come on. 1612. Here we go. Come on. Break that previous day high. UVXY testing the 200 again on the 3-minute on the upside. Coming up to it. Yeah, okay. So on the upside, that's the 5-minute. Oxy, what do we got here? Flickering. Yeah, if you guys, he's CEO of BlackRock, right? That's his title. I forget what his exact title is. It's CEO, right? Let's see. Michael, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. What are your thoughts on ASCS? Got 12.5 calls for 318, up 90% already. Jesus. You hit 100. Okay, so here's what I do on things like this. What I personally do, you don't have to do this. This is just strategy. If it's a ripper like this, I just make stuff free. So if it goes up 100%, I put in a sell order, get my initial investment back, and let it go. Maybe I'll sell it off at 105%, sell half of it. So I'm guaranteed 2.5% on the trade. Or I sell it off at 10%, I'm guaranteed 5% on the trade, even if that rest of it expires worthless. See what I'm saying? So I like to make stuff free. But I mean, you can do whatever you want. Spy little pop here. Oxy. The Oxy 60s for this Friday are so volatile. Oh, I know. Buy high, sell higher. All right, man. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps get some more people in here. I think I'm the only one live right now, so make sure you guys help out if somebody needs a place to go to watch. I mean, Amy's starting to look all right today. 4.74% in the green, $16.12, coming up a little bit. GME up 3.88. Let's see if we can hit some Oxy. Do you like to sing once it's free? No. Just what I needed to hear. I mean, do what you want, but I mean, it could shark fin on you and you could get screwed. Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, trust me. I know all about those Oxy Weekly 60s. Y'all still hitting that Oxy? I hit a nice little like 30. I think it was a decent trade today on this move. Then I sold it around like here. These candles, which I'm happy with. So Oxy just got that 5-minute max. What's the high of this candle right here? 38. Okay. 57.38. Amy coming up a little bit here. Spy trying to come up a little bit. Come on. CEO and chairman of BlackRock. Gotcha. So yeah, very important guy in the financial industry. See what he's got to say. Stop doing drugs, Jack, please. The OREV, I appreciate your concern, but I'm still going to do the Oxy over here, the Occidental Petroleum. That sounds so bad. Like X, Oxy. All right, let's see. According to Charles Gasparino, AMC is a pump and dump, but I don't think you can call it that. Charles Gasparino is an idiot. He's an absolute moron who literally does. I don't know how he still has a job at Fox. Literally, I don't know. Like, what does this dude provide to anybody? You don't have to care about the price of oil on Oxy? Well, it's apparently not today. Let's see. When I get to hell, I'm going to have a one-on-one with Gasparino. All right. Go for it. BlackRock has apparently just lost a few $1 billion because early February they bought lots of Russian stocks and bonds. I think they were exposed on those. And then also Evergrande. They had some Evergrande exposure too. But they're so big. That's the thing. Like if they lose it somewhere, they're going to make it back somewhere else. That's how I think. Look at BlackRock. Gasparino looks like the kind of guy that keeps plumbers employed. What is Rance? What does that mean? What does that have to mean at all, buddy? Let's see. Whoa, Snow Bro. Thanks for becoming a member, buddy. I really appreciate that. Shout out to all you members of the channel. Thank you guys so much for all the support that you guys give all the time. You guys know you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but thank you guys so much for those of you who do. It helps out a whole lot. Snow Bro, welcome to the membership, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. A toilet clogger? Oh, Reds. I get it now. Amy 1610. Yeah, nothing's really moving over here. What are these spies at? All right, let's see. You realize none of your posts are coming through? Let me look. Oh, SXTC. I just didn't see it. Sorry. I just didn't see it, buddy. I can't read them all. I try my best to read everything, but I can't read everything all the time. Oxy. Freaking Oxy, dude. Oh, oil's coming back. Oil is coming back. It's at 109.43 right now. Little dead cat bounce on oil. 5-minute MACD cross on Oxy. Let's run it, dude. Run. Go, Oxy. 5-minute MACD cross. I bet it's looking good on the STC too. I bet it's looking good. Where's it on the 30-minute? Did it cross? Yep. 30-minute cross. I mean, that was a while ago. What about the hourly? Hourly just crossed. Well, a couple hours ago. What about the 2-hour on? That's the 4-hour. That's not what we want over here. Oxy, did you get a? Nope. Okay. So Oxy's just in a world of its own over here. Amy, 1614, trying to come up a little bit. Spy trying to get a little bit of a pop here. Oxy, freak of nature. Imagine if oil was running. Well, it is kind of now. Frank, thanks for the super buddy. I really appreciate that. Every time Gasparino tweets, reply #Sun Valley. What's that? I don't get it. I don't get it. You guys say a lot of things these days that I'm like, they just go right over my head. Let's see. Do you want BBBY to flush? Oxy's winding up for something? Yeah, how about we go to 65? How about that? You've been talking about that hourly cross all day. That's why I pulled it up. Because Jerry, you were talking about that. I was like, all right, let's take a look at it. Where's oil? Oh, now oil starts to run, and Oxy's just like, I don't want to get a red candle. Like, come on, dude. Oh, Amy, 1614 again. Spy trying. I mean, Spy might get a MACD cross here, but who knows? We'll be hearing from his lawyer. He's a public figure, bro. I can say whatever I want about public figures, pretty much. I mean, not after Cardi B, but pretty much you can say like a lot of things. All right, Oxy's coming up. There was like that defamation lawsuit where it was like she got this YouTuber, and I was like, huh, interesting. Learn sarcasm, nerd. Are you talking to me, Reno? Are you talking to me? That was so hurtful. That was so mean of you. My lawyer will be in touch. All right, AB 1613. Spy flickered around. Oxy trying to get on a little bit of mission over here. Rands, you kill me, bro. He threatened Apes on Twitter that they'd hear from his lawyer. Oh. I thought you were called. I was like, what did I do? It's like that TikTok with like the fat dog, or it's like, what are you mad at me for? Are you talking to me? I personally do not want to be touched by Charles Gasparino's lawyer. That's fair. I don't really. He was trying to flex a picture of him eating at Rayo's, and I was like, all right, buddy, settle down there. Who do you... So, okay. So there's this restaurant in Rayo, like in New York, Rayo's. There's only like 6 tables in there. And I believe people buy tables, like they own them. So you can't just go and eat at this restaurant. And he posted a picture at Rayo's. And I almost commented, like, what did you have to do to get that table? Is dumping. Let's see. It's so much harder to get margin on your house compared to stocks. I've been at this for a month. Are you trying to take a loan out against your house? Like a HELOC? That's the bad guy. Yeah, that's a good scene. All right, Amy, 1613. Oxy, where's oil right now? I swear. Okay, it's coming down. Oh, oil's coming down? Let's see Oxy go up. How do you know about Rayo's? I used to live a block away from Rayo's. Dude, I know about Rayo's. Never been there, but I know about Rayo's. Okay. Here's how I know about Rayo's. One of the ways that I know about Rayo's. So remember when I said that my driver got taken away? My dad took my driver, my golf club, and then just gave it away. It was his, but he took it and gave it away. And I was like, hey, he wasn't using it. So in The Wolf of Wall Street, there's a scene where Leonardo DiCaprio is eating with his private investigator at Rayo's. and the guy is Bo Dietl. So he plays himself in the movie, but they're at Rayo's. That's the guy that has my driver. I don't know if he still has it, but that's who has my driver. I have a lot of weird stories about golf clubs. Frank, thanks for the super, buddy. It's where billionaires meet for a conference once a year and they get kicked out. He sat across the street for 2 days. Google it. He blocked 2 times. Are you talking about Rayo's? I didn't know that. No. Not a driver that drives me around. A golf club, bro. Relax. All right, Amy coming up here a little bit. Come on now. One time, okay, so here's another one. He had, so this, we're going to do funny story time really quickly. So one time, like golf clubs, if you don't know, are really expensive. I was like 15 years old and my dad loves golf. So he had like a bunch of these golf clubs. He's like a bunch of drivers. I was like, can I use this one? He was like, sure. So I'm using this driver and he's like, hey, I need it back. And I'm like, can I have another one? And he's like, no. I'm like, okay. And he's like, if you want one, you have to go buy it because you work. Because I was caddying at the time. He was like, you work, you go buy your own driver, and then you'll be good. And I was like, okay, I'll just go buy my own driver. So me, little Vix, goes out. Amy's coming up here to Golfer's Warehouse and spends $500 on this driver. And I'm like, wow, I feel so good about myself. I worked for something and I bought something. Awesome. A week later, I find out that my dad's like, I don't really want to use this driver anymore. You can have it back. And I'm like, I just spent $500 on a driver that I didn't have to buy. He's 14 and owns a table at Rayo's. Yeah, right. You're a caddy in Nantucket? I was a caddy too. It was rough. Rough, man. I was waking up at like 5 in the morning when I was 14 years old, going to Oxy's coming up here, going to the golf course, just get yelled at by people that thought they were more special than they actually were. It was bad. Did you still use it though? No, I used my driver. I was like, I'm using my driver. I bet you did well. I bet you did real well as a caddy in Nantucket. This was caddy a year ago when he was 14. Dude, caddying? Oh, worst job ever. Best job ever? Special needs day camp. That was the best job I ever had. He's not a family friend. It's just they played golf together one time. Oh, also funny story. This is weird. I was a little freaked out about this one time. My dad comes to visit me at college. And I'm like, let's go to the bar for a little while at like 4. And he was like, all right, cool. We walk into the bar. And my dad knows the bartender. Like, well. And I was like, how the hell do you know the bartender? He's like, oh, we used to play in like golf tournaments together. And I was like, this is weird. I was a caddy. Yeah, dude, caddying was crazy. Caddying was a wild time. You look like more of a lacrosse player than a golfer. No, I never played lacrosse. Well, I did play lacrosse for like 2 weeks, and then I was like, this is silly. How old is a bartender? 40? I don't know. My dad's like not 40. It used to be to 100,000 to join San Katie Head in 1995. I bet it's a lot more now than that. You ever hunt any gophers? No. Crazy caddy story, please. Ready? Okay. Crazy caddy story. I'm 14. This is funny. So I'm 14 years old. I walk into the caddy tent. Nice golf course. Nice golf course. Like it's in West Hartford, Connecticut. It's a very nice golf course. I'm not gonna say where it is. I'm caddying. I walk in and I see these guys at 6 in the morning doing something a little weird. After a couple of weeks, I found out that they were smoking literal crack. before we went out to the golf course and just drinking. I'm like innocent 14-year-old, and I'm just sitting here watching these people smoke crack. And I was like, this is weird. I don't know if I should be here right now. I don't know. And I was like, this is kind of, I don't know. This is where I'm making, I mean, I'm 14. It's like good money and it's cash. I don't have to pay any taxes on it, but like, this is kind of weird. All right, 16-19 on AMC. Oxy's trying to come up a little bit here. That's going for you. Oh, man. Are they still alive? No, one of them had heart complications over one winter, and I was like, I really like that guy, but I wasn't surprised. Cool story. Thanks. How old am I? I'm 22. I was 14 when this happened. It's a conference in Sun Valley. Oh, Sun Valley, where billionaires have a conference once a year. He went and they kicked him out. He sat across the highway for 2 days reporting. Oh my God. All right. For a Gasparino. Gotcha. Yeah, no shit. Yeah. Cool story. Thanks. I thought that was a pretty cool story. So, yeah. What won't you do for money? I was caddying. I wasn't smoking crack. That's not what I was doing. I was like sitting there like, you know what? They used to call me Chubbs because I was fat. I was a fat little boy. Let's see. BioLife. Thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Most famous person you caddy for. That was either douche or a good person. Best tip. Some guy at ESPN I caddied for. There's some hedge fund guy too. Best money I ever made was when I got up at 6 a.m., stayed, didn't go out, or got there at 6, didn't go out until 2 in the afternoon. It was a wedding party. I had 4 caddy, which means you're like hanging out in the cart. And then the wedding guy who like had the party wasn't in the group, paid me for all 4 of them. Then all 4 guys paid me. So I think I made like, I don't know, $200. Let's see. Let's see. They call me Free Willy. Dude, caddy Teds, I was so shocked. I was like, this is the wildest thing I've ever seen. Do you ever argue about stocks with your family? Sometimes with my brother, yeah. You'll now forever be known as Chubbs. That's fine. That's fine, man. All right, guys. If you don't mind, hitting that like button on the way in. It helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Oxy's coming up a little bit here. There we go. Oh, wow. Story time. Spy liked story time. So let's see what we're getting over here. Man. Let me see. I got clubs thrown at me a few times, and I was like, you better not ever do that again. I have some other funny stories about like work, but I'm not. Those are not for the stream. Let's see. I'm the little brother. Let's see. Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move here. Where's oil right now? Oil, hold on. 108. Oil's coming down, and Oxy's like, zoom. Here we go. All right, so Spy's starting to make a little bit of a move back up here. Let's see if we get a power hour. That'd be pretty sweet. That's assault. I know. But I'm also trying to not be waking up at 5 in the morning and not get paid. So I'd beat them with the club if they threw it at me. Well, it was kind of like in between. Like they threw the club. I don't think they knew that I was there, like in that spot. And they're kind of like sorry about it. And I was like, dude, this is silly. This has to be the most boring day of trading. Dude, it's crazy. Nothing's going. Spy's coming up here. Dude, imagine if my spy calls just print. Hey, Squirrel. Hey, Squirrel. Where's Squirrel? Squirrel. 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 Where you at, buddy? How do I check out the free alerts on the Discord? Well, one, it's linked. So the link to join the Discord is in the top of the chat over here. It's also the first link in the description. And then so it's in the free chat. You'll whatever chat you're allowed to be in. I think it's called the free. I think it's just called the free chat room right now. I think the name keeps changing on it. What is it right now? Let me see. Where is it? The free chat room is what it's called now. And it's free guy is the bot that's sending all the alerts. So if you guys want to learn, make sure you guys check that out. Squirrel is buying puts. I bet he is. I just think it's going to go boom, boom. He probably nuked his putts earlier. Dude, the worst thing about caddying is when you would read a putt for somebody and that you like know the greens really well. And then they would just completely just like, I don't know how this is possible. They would just shank a putt. And then they would be like, look at you like, you didn't get that one right. And I'd be like, you just suck at life. All right, Spy's coming up here a little bit. Here we go. Oxy, it's time to shine. Amy, let's go up with the Spy here, people. 16-12 on Amy over here. Let's see. Guys, also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot. We got Spy 2.8% on the way up here. Amy's trying to get a move. Oxy flickering over here. We got Oil doing its thing. GME not really moving, but it's looking for that 5-minute MACD cross over here. Oxy got it, and it's looking like it wants to continue up. It's at 57.50 about right now. Let's see. DD keeps printing 1348. God is light. There you go, man. You get paid 21 an hour to sit here all day, literally work about an hour a day and get paid the full 8. Oh, brother, it's another 8. There you go, man. Double top on this or this one or this one. AMD goes for 113 this Friday, a big lead. There you go, man. I'm not the squirrels master. That is not how this works. Whoa, what's up, Long? How you doing? Red Devil Dildo. All right, I'm going to hold my calls. You hold your puts. Let's see who wins. Let's see. I'm still thinking about that VHS Big Short comment. Dude, we've had a lot of fun in this afternoon stream. A lot of fun. Let me see. Oh, I almost got, so I worked for my brother for 2 summers too, and I almost caused like a giant like lawsuit. It wasn't my fault. I was told to do something and I did it. So what I was supposed to do is find out what the rates were for like every single age and like length of a policy of like put it all into a spreadsheet. But you have to go onto their system. This one's nationwide. You have to go onto their system and do it. And like you got to click it. So they got a call and was like, why did you just do 1,100 of these in like 18 hours? And they were like, I don't know. So then they see that I did it and they just come over and they're like, hey, what are you doing? And I was like, he told me to do it. He just wanted the numbers. And I was like, oh, he was like, oh, shoot. Because they were just like, you can't, because they were trying to hide that like the numbers like weren't as good as they like actually appeared to be. So more of the story, Nationwide is not actually on your side. X testing highs. There we go. A lot of random funny stories. Yeah, X is coming up here. Spy's moving. Huge day for me, small account, but still, Greg, there you go, buddy. The Greg Executioner. There you go, man. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. I was told. And then they were like, we're going to sue you. And I was like, sorry, I was just told to do this. And then they told them, they're like, oh, okay, it's fine. Let's see here. Steel's running. Steel is running up here. Be careful, everybody. WTI's at 108.41. Brent's at 110.95. Let's throw back Oxy on here a little bit. See what's going on with this thing. Oh, it wants to get spicy. Nationwide is not on your side. Exactly. It's moving up a little bit. Like it's trying. It's at 427.78. We got 15 minutes until power hour too. So let's see if Spy gets some boom boom candles over here. Let's see. Tell a story about how you became the worst oil baron in history. When I buy my Oxy Strangle and then I just like hope it falls. Breaking news: corruption at Nationwide. Whistleblower STV says, "Dude, I should have just went to the SEC. Damn, I could have made so much money. It wasn't that. It wasn't like a crazy thing. It was just like it just didn't like you look at it. It was just comparing it to other stuff, and you were just like, yeah, this isn't as good as it looks like it is." Oxy's charging up. Gave it some of my life force. There you go. Micron cup and handle. SCV just following orders. I'm always just following orders. What happens if they don't cover the 20 million FTDs due today from Mullen? Nothing really. Do I have a ghost story? Not really. I have some wild stories though. I don't know. I'll think of another wild one. Spy's coming up here. Come on now. Come on now. I'll see if I can think of another one because I feel like you guys liked those. Those were good. Tell us more stories about your 14-year-old crack addiction. I was not smoking crack. I was just witnessing others smoke crack. All right. Oxy looks good over here. How's the Oxy Strangle doing? Are the calls green yet? Whoa, my Exxon put is green. What? No way. Dude, my Exxon put is up 15%. The calls I sold on it 2 days ago were up 160%. So those went from like 0 to like sort of coming back to hero over here. Not looking too bad. I have stories, but I can't tell them on here. That's how I feel about some of my stories. Rands, I know you would like some of my stories. I've got some funny stories that I feel like Rands. Twilio, 87 million block trade. Not really moving. You have Navy stories? Let me think of one. Oh, I almost got arrested at a concert. That was funny. And I just told like the undercover cop, no. Then they let me go. They were just like, can I see your ID? I was literally just sitting there doing nothing. They're like, can I see your ID? And I was just like hammered out of my mind at like 17 years old. And I was just like, pull it together in my mind. And they're just like, we need to see your ID. And I was like, why? They're like, because I do. And I was like, well, I don't know them who are doing the illicit activities. I was like, I have no idea who they are. So what did I do? She's like, I need to see your ID. I was like, why? She was like, just get out of here. What concert? I think it was the Chance the Rapper one, and that was also the one where it was like really hot in Connecticut a couple years ago, where like a lot of people like ended up going to the hospital for like heat stroke. Were you the guy in the "Don't Tase Me, Bro" video? What's that? Oxy. I don't know. That wasn't a good one. What state are you in? Connecticut. Spy flickering. All right, squirrel. Let's see what's gonna happen here, pal. I mean, you're typically right on the end of the day. Spy moves. I'm just thinking I'm gonna YOLO it into the end of the day. I don't know the "Don't Tase Me, Bro" video. I don't know. That cop is in the stream now. I mean, I'm 22 now. It's fine. All right, let's see. All right, people. Let's see. Amy coming down to that 25 MA. Squirrel and I are both looking like we're wrong so far. Let's see. It's on YouTube. Hey, I'm on YouTube. Amy, stop moving down, Amy. Oxy's just slowly coming up here. Oh, man. Oxy. Uh-oh. Oil 108.95. Oxy slowly stair-stepping its way up here. 11 minutes till power hour. Woo! Wasn't a real cop. It was okay. Crap. No, it wasn't. It was in like a parking lot. Like, any chance you hold everything overnight? The Oxy Strangle, yeah. Instead of them covering FTDs on short exams on Mullen, they're shorting the shit out of it more. Yeah, they are. They just are blatantly. They don't care. It's crazy. Where is it right now? I did say if Mullen got a nasty red day. Let's see what happens with it tomorrow. Maybe I'll buy some Mullen. You bought a put on Oxy? Good luck, man. I've got puts and calls. I'll be there right with you if it tanks. Power hour, don't know about that. It's mostly sour hour. Well, let's see what happens with the S&P 500 and Occidental. So let's see here, people. All right, what else? I'm trying to think of another story that I can tell you. Oh, I can't. That's a good one, but I can't tell you that one. I'll think of one. You picked up X? Oh, Luigi, you fell for it. It's gonna shark fin. Spy up. Amy up. Did you work at a special needs day camp? I did. That was probably the best job I ever had. That was a fun job. Well, technically, this is my job too. So this is probably number 2. Like if I just became filthy rich, that's what I would do to keep myself busy. Literally about the shark fin. It's literally about the. You want to watch this, Luigi? Ready? You could be right. Like it's very possible that. Hey squirrel, squirrel, hey squirrel, hey squirrel, hey squirrel. Up 169% on X. Good job, man. That's commendable. Let's see. No wonder you're so patient with all of us. Tell the story where you went home with a dude. No, that's not a story. Is this the one day that STV is going to be right on the spy move going into the end of the day? Like, and Squirrel and STV don't agree. We'll see. We got 8 minutes until power hour, people. Can you tell me a story about the spy going down like soon? No. Every single time I see X rip, I just want it to shark fin to confirm me not buying it. But Luigi's in it, so I do kind of want it to go. So let's see. It's looking good over here. News: U.S. Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm says the impacts of higher costs for fuel are real and severe. Not after the oil sell-off today. We need more Shapiro impressions to pump Amy. I need a topic. 8 minutes till happy hour. Is that when happy hour is? I don't know what happy hour is. I'm not like 40. Sorry. 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 It has to be. What's up, squirrel? Shoot. All right, let's see. Ouch, bro. Uh-oh. Shark fin. Watch it there, pal. Hey. You guys know who you're dealing with over here. What do you think? I'm going to have an IPA at happy hour? What am I, 40? Even though that's like what my audience like kind of is. Hey, gonna have to so out of the 40 comment. No, Riptide, where are you going? My lure will be in Dutch. All right. X looks like also shark fin. Where's oil? 109.10. I swear, if oil goes up and Oxy goes down and they disjoint like this, that's going to be the craziest thing ever. Spy go down for all the 40-year-olds out there? Well, we're not all 22. You know what, Russ? That's fair. But I can make jokes because you guys are like all like my like older relatives. I feel like that I just make jokes to. I feel like. Uh-oh, squirrel. Oh, shoot. Everybody's just throwing out their ages now. I guess that's what we're doing here. All right, everybody. What do we got going on here? You're 41 tomorrow. Happy almost birthday, my man. If we have a 35.58% green day. Let's say Wednesday. Then you get mod for a day on Friday. That hurt. Dan will leave this shit. Dan's already gone. Dan's already gone. You make me feel old. I see you're 25. Anna, it's okay. I feel elderly too. I just don't sleep much, and I just sit at like I live a sedentary lifestyle most of the time. So I've been going back to the gym, which is good. Let's see. Despite like you insulting middle-aged people, yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that. But now we're gonna, hey squirrel, hey squirrel, hey squirrel. I feel like we both need it to just like rip or tank. Bring Dan back? I can't. So disrespectful. I'm sorry. My birthday is Saturday. I feel robbed. Ooh. In the day, ASL with everyone throwing out their age. Isn't that American Sign Language? Why were you doing American? How would we do American Sign Language on a live stream with me not knowing how to do it? Let's see if you take the bait. Let's see if you take the bait. Yeah, you took the bait. You took the bait. You took the bait. You took the bait. Dude, I obviously know what that is. It's not that hard. Like, I know after the age that, like, I know. I just thought you guys were going to take the bait on that one. There you go. You took the bait. No, dude, I know what that is. That's easy. It's just acronyms. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I could tolerate you disrespecting the president but making fun of us old people. That's where I draw the line. I didn't disrespect the president. That didn't happen. They're lying to you. It's FUD. I actually didn't. Like, I really just didn't. All I did was not turn him on the thing, and I was just reading the news thing because I didn't want everybody to lose their mind. Yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind, hit that like button on the stream on your way in. It helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here with the algorithm. I mean, I'm nursing this oxy strangle, and it's how is it actually? I looked at the Exxon. I got distracted by the Exxon. Okay. Let's see. My birthday is on the 23rd. You better believe something will squeeze. Maintain. Here we go. All you did was read the messages. I mean, I guess so. Do not turn on the president. Okay. You bunch of word twisters over here. Oxy trying to come back up. You just got margin called on a USA currency from Canadian. How, Ryan? What? How did you just get margin called? That was probably me. I just okay. Trace a mustache. That's fair. Let's see here. All right. Dude was selling crack. I was not selling crack. I was not doing crack. I was not selling crack. I was just witnessing crack being done. That's all it was. There was no, I'd never. Are the 920 alerts all for the spy? I think so right now. I think we're going to roll them out on some other stuff too. Do I need to download additional software to analyze charts on 1348? No, not at all. You could use Webull, you could use TradingView, you could use TD, you could use anything. Oxy? Happy birthday, old man. I'm not. It's not my birthday, but thank you. Verizon tanking. Oh, boy. They were doing crack at the crack of dawn. They were. It was still dark out, and these people were just... If you didn't know, that's what doing crack sounds like. Chase hoodie. Jesus. All right. Oxy looking all right over here. All right, everybody. Let's get this. All right. Well, 1 minute till power hour. Let's see what we're going to get. All right. Let's see. All right, Spy, try to come up here. I need a big rip on this powerhouse. My contracts are going to be dead because I think with Questrade, I put Canadian money and buy stocks and options, but they don't convert the money, so I'm negative USD but positive Canadian. That's so weird, Ryan. Jake, Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that, my dude. Thanks for all you do. Do you have an address where we can ship gifts to? I'd love to send you some wine from Oregon. Thanks for helping me make money. Hashtag don't smoke crack. Jake, thank you, buddy. I could get a PO box though, because I know you can get them around here, so I could give you that. I could get one. I could probably get one. I can figure that out. SB needs a PO box. Dude, every Friday, if you guys send me wild stuff, I could just open it. But if like you send me like crazy stuff, we'll stop doing it. You're up 71 bucks on your paper trades, minus 14 bucks on your real account. I mean, wine, he's only 14. All right, Spy. Squirrel, it looks like we're getting screwed from both sides today. It might be a not even a zero-sum game. We both lose. It's a negative-sum game. Everybody loses. What I learned from SV, don't smoke crack. X, you only do once, then swear it off. Oxy is good every day. All right. I guess life lessons from me over here. I guess that's what we're doing. Let's see. You need a rather large PO box if you're sharing it with 2,000 people. Yeah. I feel like you guys wouldn't send me stuff though. You'd just be like, oh yeah, PO box, and then nobody would send me anything, which is fine. All right, Amy coming down a little bit. You'd send me a crystal ball? Ooh, that would be funny. So they margin called me on being negative USD and stole the cash from my CDN account. Ryan, that's such bullshit. How? Okay, Quest Trade needs, that's weird, dude. And is it a margin account? That's so weird. They won't let Oxy break 57.70. If it does, it'll run to 58.50. Well, how about we let it run to 65 and just like screw all that? Okay. Oh, brother, it's another ape. These are jokes. I do not recommend you doing any illicit substances like that, especially with that. You're literally gonna get to the point. Okay. So I do know my roommate in my first year roommate was like kind of into this stuff, and he did like too much of it where like it just didn't affect him anymore. So it was weird. So don't do that. You're gonna hurt yourself. Stop. I'm going to tell you that. That's health advice. Stop doing that. Well, too late. Hey, don't do that. Don't do any of that. It's a margin account, but because I buy US stocks, it has CDN USD cash holding. Oh, that's so weird. Snow day and CT. I don't know. I mean, it's snowing. All right. Spy's coming up a little bit here. Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream helps out a whole lot. Today's been a crazy day. Very, very weird trading day. This is like one of those days where you just kind of like, no thanks. Like, just leave it be. Rivian hit with a shareholder lawsuit over surplus EV truck price, unusual whales. Not moving. Not moving. Let's see. No, Ryan, I'm saying don't do it. Let's see here. What do we want? Oxy? Coming down to the 13. Spy, I mean, Squirrel, we're both just getting screwed here, I think. Let's see. You don't get an icy check like usually. All right, Amy coming down a little bit, fell down below 16. Let's see, where's oil? 109.09. Take Taco Bell to Ford. No, stop it. Yeah, we're getting burned at both ends over here. What is that right now? Yeah, Theta's coming to get me bad, I think, right now. It's gotta be. It's gotta be coming to get me. It's gotta be. Yep, Theta's coming. It's coming. Theta's just breathing down my neck right now. Do you ever trade Ford? Sometimes. I've traded Ford sometimes. Yeah, Oxy and a decent sized candle over here. Nigeria oil minister, I believe, sees oil reaching 200, then hovering near 150. That's pretty high, my man. Check your Twitter DM. That's my gift to you. Oh, God. Oh, boy. Oh, no. Oh, that is cool. That is really cool. It's like an ape head with like a gold hat. Here come the shorts. On a lot of things. I mean, not SPY yet. Let's see what we got. Oxy dumping, dude. I mean, it's up 4% today. I need like it to string together a couple of good green days. It's just like up, down, up, down, up, down. Like Oxy, the range on this thing today is like AMC. Like Oxy's at 56.76 right now, or 57 essentially right now. You guys know what was that in the pre-market? 50.50. That's crazy. Can I give a shout out to David Morgan? Today's his birthday, and he's out here working on 1348. Yeah, David, happy birthday, buddy. I think David was talking about his birthday earlier. We needed that 35.58% green day for him and for mod for the day, and it's not squirrel. Squirrel. So get that PO box. All right, I'll try to do that. Dude, the 200 EMA on the 5-minute is so far away. UVXY red candles on the 5. Yeah. USPS does not accept FedEx and UPS shipments. Okay. I don't know. How dare you, SPY? You're supposed to be the chosen one. There it goes. There she goes. Come on. Go. Oxy, your turn. AMC, your turn. Let's go. Come on. Get to the strike. Let's go. Come on. My YOLO SPY calls. Get them up there. Get them up there. Let's go. Is it true you're a flat earther? No. So much for an awesome power hour. Hey, SPY is coming up here nicely. Amy, time to go, pal. SPY crossing? No, it already crossed a while ago. AMC isn't budging? Not yet. It is coming, though. Let's see. 428.74 is the previous day high. Let's see if we can get up there. I mean, this could just shark fin on us. Oxy coming back to life. Nice own leverage ETFs on days like these. Yeah. You gotta be careful with them, especially with options. I wouldn't trade options on them. Oh, you can trade them, but like day trade them, but it'd be very silly to try and swing trade them because they reset every night with like swaps and stuff. Today's also my birthday. Richard, happy birthday, buddy. All right, folks, here we go. Imagine if these SPY calls just go. Whoop. That would be crazy. That would be craziness. Let's go. We got not a lot of time for these. Let's see. We're gonna gap up tomorrow. You see, that'd be nice, man. I mean, these calls, these contracts expire in about 52 minutes. So Fade is coming to assault me right now. Let's see. Let's see. SPY pump for inflation data looking bad tomorrow for a dump. Maybe they want to get it up to a high enough level so that the inflation dump isn't as bad. If it shark fins, then I'm done. Gonna turn everything off. Just lost 300 on SPY puts. Don't chase stuff. Stop. Don't chase stuff. Stop. Like, relax. Today's a weird day to trade. It's basically 15.99, 16 on Amy over here. SPY moving up a little bit. All right, guys, I'm gonna run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream and check out those free Discord alerts over there. If you want to join premium with the big boys, definitely should do that. A lot of good stuff in there. But give me like 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Been drinking a lot of hedgy tears. All right, folks. Oh, spy. Contracts are still down, but like, oh, it hit 429. This is kind of wild. Here we go. You got SPY puts when TMI said to. I've always lost. I asked some trades you said. Nah. Well, stop loss, buddy. Stop loss. He's scalping. Quick in and out. His trading strategy is going to be much different than yours if you're trying to hold him for longer gains, like bigger gains. Crack break? That was rude. Be a man? Be in the bottle? No. Let's see. Oxy trying to come up. Spy's looking all right over here. So let's see if we get a nice little run into close. It's possible, man. Where's that 200 EMA? Was it on the 30-minute? No, I think it was on the 1 hour. Yeah, so it's on the 1 hour. Let's see if it makes this run all the way up here. $13.48, 3-minute cross downside. On what, Armand? All right, SPY back down a little bit here. Ooh, Oxy. Hey, Amy. What you doing here, pal? Oxy is drunk again? Yes. Tomorrow CPI data will bring it down. That's fair. I just want these contracts to come back to life a little bit here. Bull trap. Oh, he's calling it. He's calling for it. Try Alani. They taste better and double the caffeine. Oh, do they have 300 milligrams? That's what I like. That's what the Reigns have. That's what I drink in the morning. I had 2 energy drinks today in front of you guys. Now I'm going to have some pre-workout and go to the gym right after this. Probably. I don't know. Might make a video tonight. I don't know. We've had a lot of weird stuff. Not a whole lot of craziness been happening with AMC. So I'll see. Double top. It's higher, though. It's high. Are you just yelling at my spy calls? Are you rooting for my demise? Let's see. No shark fin on X yet. Oh, there you go. All right, Oxy chilling. Amy 1594. Let's see what's gonna happen with SPY here. What's the workout today? Buys him back, baby. Yesterday I was at the gym and I had to leave early because I tweaked out and I just got all anxious that I had to do schoolwork and I had stuff that was due, so I just could not. I had to go. It was bad. I was like, I gotta go. Aneurysm, big aneurysm. Today, not gonna let that happen. Oxy trying to come up here a little bit. X is dead to me. Good. Double top on Taco Bell land. Yeah, I mean, how much theta's coming hard at these contracts now, I bet. Not really. I mean, they're not. I mean, they're down, but like they're not that bad. Come on, SPY. 4:30. Let's go. You shouldn't go to the gym while smoking crack. Fair. Jake, what? What are you talking about? All right, guys. Also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here. Going into the last 45 minutes of the market today, it's gonna be fun. Let's have some fun today, huh? Let's see. They just shorted 350K AMC. How do you know that? Oh, SPY's moving. What was it? Is it the candle right here? No. Oh, here it comes. Wait, what is this? Exxon puts came back. So oil must be coming down. Exxon must be selling. Dude, it's the algorithm, I swear. How are the pole vaulting videos beating us? That's nonsense. Whatever, Father Jr. Oh, man. You're at 600 value of death. You're funny, buddy. All right. Oxy. Trying. SPY's trying. I literally just need, how big is this candle? 427.65. Okay. I need this. Give me this. Good to go. One more of these, and I can leave. I can leave happy. If you watch the videos, you'd know. Oh, interesting. They read our chats. Who? Hold up. Oh. Interesting. So that's where you're going? That's what you're doing here, buddy? Instead of trading stocks, that's what you're doing? Okay. Oh, let's see. Let's check 429 on the SPY. It could get spicy. Mom, it's trying. It's trying. These contracts are coming back, man. Let's see. Fast Talk News, something about nuclear power maybe having a big upcoming effect. Didn't really get the connection. Oh, uranium. U. Is it running? Yeah, big candle here on U. So hold on. I know what you're talking. U.S. weighs sanction on Russian nuclear power. Move can impact nuclear power industry, uranium mining. Okay. Yeah, U is coming up a little bit here. Do we get a YOLO for this week? What else? There was another one over here. UEC. Yeah, they're both moving. GNC protein shakes almost shut my liver and kidneys down in high school. How the hell? Oh, yeah. You probably just weren't drinking enough water. You can't do that. It'll clog your stuff up. Same thing with creatine. All right. SPY. Volatilidad. Coming up here. Volatilidad. Feliz volatilidad. All right. Sorry. It was right there. It was right there. Happy volatility. All right. So Amy coming down a little bit here. SPY flickering. Let's see. People are just looking for random energy stocks to pump. Not really. I mean, this is if the US is going to weigh like sanctions on these types of things. I mean, it's not going to be great. Wait, don't I have 15 minutes after the market closes to deal with this? So I actually have more time. Interesting. Blaze Sniper, what happened? Pull last chance liquidity before a huge drop. What are you talking about? Don't your SPY contracts expire today? Yes. Yes, they do. Football practice, they didn't give us water in 100-degree heat. Paid for it later. Had to go to the hospital. Did they give you an ice bath or did they use the icicle? That's a question that you only know the answer to. All right. The new guy. Thank you so much for the super buddy. SV, not gonna lie, one-on-one. Have questions on all this. I've jumped from 30% to 160%. You closed -1. I'm really confused on what this question is. Oh, one of part one of questions. All right, these uranium stocks are going here. I've jumped from 30% to 160%. You've closed minus 1.9K yesterday. Now the price is 3.5% minus 5.6K. I'm so confused. On what? What are you talking about? You. Crazy move. Is it still going? Yeah, still going here. All right, I'll get a little yellow for the week. SV Timber? No. All right, I'm going to take these back. I think I'm going to ditch the SPYs. Actually, no. I'm riding it out. All right, hold on. I'm getting a strangle. I know I'm buying with unsettled funds. Leave me alone. I understand. Strangle. You. I don't know. It was at the time. All right, this thing's running. If that's the news on the uranium stuff, I'll play it a little. I got a strangle on it. Let's see what happens. What the hell are they doing with the on my street? Wi-Fi has been cutting out for 2 days. Do you live like right next to TMI somewhere? Like what? Link your super chats to Weeble. No, I have cash. All right, this uranium stuff's going crazy. Let's see. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. All right, this uranium stuff's going crazy on that news. North Shore Global Uranium Mining ETF surges to session high. Yeah, they're all going. So, SPY coming up to test that 429 again. Here we go. We're gonna break out on this. Come on, there it is. There it is. Go. Oh, it touched it. It touched it. Oh, it's flickering right there, man. You must bump Tim's fist. There you go, Tim. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. The uranium news is I'll tell you right now. Where is it? U.S. weighs sanctions on Russian nuclear power supplier Rosatom. Move could impact nuclear power industry, uranium mining. Data from additional nuclear facilities in Ukraine, including the 3 other nuclear power reactors, still being received. SPY is so close to breaking out here a little bit. You completely lost internet in Woolkit? Dude, my high school football coach was from Woolkit. For a little bit. I forget his name. It wasn't Jim. I know his first name. I'm pretty sure his first name was Jim. I forget it though. I forget. Let me see. Wonder how many Congress got into uranium in the last couple of days. That'd be a good thing to look at here. I mean, the strangle's up. Exxon puts flat. All right, SPY. What are we gonna do here, pal? Are you watching Billions? I've already seen it. Are we uranium barons now? We might be. It's a strangle. U is one of them. Let's see. Let's see here. Come on, SPY. Break that 429. Let's go. XLF, like the baby SPY. XLF is financials. So it's like JP Morgan. Uroy is one of them. Okay. SoFi might actually cross up. CCJ is uranium too. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this could shark fin really big on everybody, and then I have puts on it, so I have a strangle for it. Let's see what happens with it tomorrow. You got an $8 call for UUUU for next week at open? Oh, you're crushing it, dude. Good job. SPY is so close, man. Just go. Amy's getting attacked here a little bit. How am I? Okay, so my puts and calls on the UUUU are up. This is more news about this is going to come out tonight and tomorrow. Oh, there it is. Come on, break out. Go. Just there. No, come on. Just come on. There it is. Come on. There it is. Come on. Let's go, SPY. Come on, let's go. We got a decent amount of time left for these to start to get going. Come on, SPY. Let's go, pal. Need for Speed. Thank you so much for the super. Did LME in London squeeze to 100,000 yesterday? Nickel? It looked like something like that did happen, yes. SPY. It's so close. It wants to go. It really wants to rip here. News about like nuclear power sanctions. Yeah, shark fin on you. Interesting. Here we go. Let's see. This is why I have the strangle on it. Bad spy, bad. Spy is being very misbehaved over here. Oh, the Fink interview. Yeah. We got to get the Larry Fink interview on here. Is it on Fox Business? Thank you. I forgot about that. It's on Fox Business, right? I guess you missed my message. 429 was the top. I refuse. I refuse to accept that. Let's see. Are they gonna get Fink? There's Kudlow. Don't really care about Kudlow. Weekdays at 4 p.m. All right, let's see. Yeah, Fox Business. All right, I've got it up over here. I rejoined the stream and I got an ad. You wouldn't believe it. It was for crack. Like the video for crack. No, I'm just kidding. Amy coming down a little bit. 1584. Spy flickering. Uranium coming back up. There we go. Chinese short of nickel got burned for over 8 billion. Yeah, I talked about it in the video last night. Huh? Uranium. Where's Oxy? Oxy. Not the worst in the world. Let's go golfing. I'm down. I'm probably awful right now. You know that FBI agent looking over you is not laughing. I'm talking about crack and how I had to witness it being done in front of me when I was 14 at work. At work? Let's see. You. Print. Crack bad, uranium good. Looks good right now. And you stepped on a rake? Oh boy. All right, we're gonna get Larry Fink on in a little bit here, which is gonna be interesting. So Spy just looking like it wants to run into close. Here comes uranium. The news is coming out. People are understanding now. Uranium is looking good. Stop. That's disrespectful. Yeah, here it goes. There she goes. What's the best approach to make sure your orders get filled? Well, if you really want to get filled and you really think it's going to go up, you go up right to the ask. I go somewhere in between most of the time, usually closer to the ask, but sometimes at the midpoint or at the last price. All right. You playing uranium? Yeah, I got a strangle on it. The call side's up 22%. The put side's holding, though. It's ripping right now. There it goes. What's the high on you? Oh. Oh. Okay. Fair. That's got to be splits. So you pay more to get filled? Yes. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. SV good singer? No, not even a little bit. All right. You is ripping right now. I can't sell it, so we're holding it. Spy. You sold rhodium at 18K and it has been trading around that ever since. Interesting. Uranium short is a real thing. It might, dude. We might see the new like this might be the new Oxy for us. Just you. All right, Spy. Up. You squeeze last year. I'm here for it, man. I'm here for it. There she goes. What's rhodium? I don't know what that is, but it sounds cool. High 1139. No, like the all-time high is like 200. New highs. There it goes. Can I check it out on Ortex? Yeah. 11.75% estimated short interest, 76% utilization, low cost to borrow. A lot of shares on loan, though. A lot of shares on loan that they can try to short this thing with. All right, it's coming up, making new highs over here. This thing's just ripping. 22% on these. That's not bad, man. Amy Max Payne dropped from 18 to 17. Yep. Thanks, man. Anytime, Jake. I mean, that was a good thing to look at there. Oh, man. SPY is just, it's knocking on the door, man. SPY is knocking on the door. Go. 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 New highs. Let's go. Crypto, because there's about 20 million shares that they can use to short it. All right. New highs on the SPY over here. You can't strangle. Yes, you can. You just buy puts and calls. I don't know why they would restrict you from doing that. That's kind of weird. Also, guys. Oh wait, Fink. Larry Fink. Hold on. We should be getting it soon. They're talking about shoe stocks over here. Interesting. Lululemon. Lulu's up 3%. Nike's up 4.74. Not bad. All right, SPY. It's go time. After commercials. Yeah, I'm on it right now. They're talking about shoe stocks over here. New highs. Dude, if these go green, I'm going to lose my mind. They're red right now. Like they are in the red. I'm just kind of holding them for fun. Take profit. They will not want to let it go to 430. Oh, I don't have profit on it. I'm red. Still red. Oh, it's running. These actually might go green, bro. These honestly could go green. If it keeps going like this. Uranium. I like it. The calls aren't moving a whole lot now. Wow. This is about to jump, I think. You're up 90% on UUUU. What should we call UUUU? Oh, lol. Yeah, right. Oh, it's coming back green right now. SPY's up 3%. This is drunk. This is absolutely drunk. Call it for you. Quad U. The U's. I could call it that. %31 on quad U on the call side. The put side is down 16%. I went small on the put side though, because if those puts hit, they'll go wild. Come on, SPY, let's go. The U's. Wait, light share technology share spiked to session high up 18%. It's a nuclear fuel tech company, LTBR. Oh, this is the one. Dang, that was the winner. This thing's going crazy. So this is another uranium nuclear power one over here. This thing's going nutso. Look at this thing. Oh, shoot. Fox Business. It's commercial right now. Sorry. Getting distracted. Quad U's coming down. SPY's. Dang, it's back to 429. Damn. Oh, no settled cash. You can buy it if you don't have settled cash. You just have to hold it until tomorrow. Oh, no options? Oh, yeah, I wouldn't touch it then. I was buying with no settled cash today. You guys just saw me do it with the quad U. The ticker for that one is LTBR. No options, though, I don't think, on it. I think SPY might do it, man. Yeah, no options on Lightbridge. All right, yeah. Can you check out Crack? No. AA should get into nuclear power? No. The Exxon put is up. The Oxy is just crazy. You feel like UEC could gamma? I mean, if any of them go, I mean, the other ones will probably come with it. I think Quad U is the one that a lot of people are trading a lot of. Ulysses? We could call it Ulysses. SPY, you're stressing me out, buddy. Check out Mullen. Is it going? Oh, it's getting some candles over here. Not bad. Not bad on the Mullen candles. Fox, is he on? He's not on yet. This is a I'm not even gonna say what the commercial is, but this is probably the last commercial if you guys are saying it. No, one more. I'm on it. Don't worry. All right. I think it's time to be done with SPY. I think it's time. Yeah. All right. Well, that was fun. Now we want Quad U to just go nuclear. Oh, here we go. There's what's her name?
One better to tackle this investment climate.
This lady.
The CEO of the world's largest asset manager. Joining us now in a Fox Business exclusive, Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, along with Charlie Gasparino. Larry, this is a perfect day for you to be here. Thanks for coming.
You're the reason why the market's up.
Yeah.
I hope so. I don't think so, though. Listen, the market's up today. That's great. We love seeing green, but we're in very treacherous territory. I think you would agree. People don't know a lot about you, but you've been through 40 years of market ups, downs, crises. You were a bond trader. You created BlackRock from zero. It's $9 trillion. You've seen it all. You were in the middle of the financial crisis. How would you rate what's going on now with Russia, with inflation, with all the stuff that's going on in Europe, with I guess 2008 or any of the other ones?
I think this is potentially much broader and bigger for the global world. Since 1990, with the dismemberment of the Soviet Union, the world benefited from this incredible peace dividend.
Absolutely.
And this peace dividend created opportunities for American firms worldwide. We expanded globally.
Right.
We were able to expand and build and do amazing things. And as did other countries were able to do that. But also importantly, we raised the standard of living for the entire world. That peace dividend is now over. And this is a big seismic change. We now have to be much more thoughtful about geopolitical issues. I think the biggest implication for the Russian invasion to Ukraine and the response is we're all waking up to all these dependencies. Europe was too dependent on Russia, oil, and gas. And every company I'm talking to right now are asking themselves, where are our other dependencies? Right. So this is not just, obviously we have the horrificness of what's going on in Ukraine. We see the mass destruction. We see, lives being destroyed. But the implications of this is going to mean that every company is going to reevaluate where they're building things, where they're manufacturing things. It really means it's going to be and we witnessed even before the war, we witnessed supply chain problems worldwide. And I actually believe it's going to change how we think about supply chains, and it's going to be highly inflationary.
Yeah.
And it's going to it really can lead to ultimately great outcomes in the next 3 to 4 year period of time. It's going to lead to big issues.
I think this is a headline right here.
Yeah.
And I think it's interesting because Larry Fink you've seen it all. You think what's the unraveling of the relationship between the West and Russia, and maybe even China going forward, is more treacherous than what happened during the financial crisis.
Yeah, because the financial crisis obviously destroyed banks and a lot of people's livelihood who had leverage.
Right.
But keep in mind, when you see the increase of wheat to the extent it is, and what it's going to mean to food prices for everybody, when you see the increases of gasoline and what it means for everybody in heating, this is not just a segment of the economy or a segment of the world. This is the entire world. This is going to be impacting everybody. This is so regressive for so many people who are in need, who can't afford the rise of gas or rise of food. This is much more impactful than somebody who was leveraged in mortgages. And so that was a segment of society that were destroyed. This is more pernicious and troublesome that it affects everybody in the world.
And how long does it last? Let me just answer this. How long does it last?
Well, let's see what the ultimate outcome in Ukraine is. We are going to find new supplies of oil elsewhere. Maybe OPEC will begin to raise their production. The U.S. will begin to invest again back into our energy fields. High energy prices is going to accelerate decarbonization. More and more people say, I can't afford gas, I'm going to buy an EV. So we're going to see behavior changes. And over the next 3 or 4 years, we are going to see less dependencies, which is really good for the world. We're going to have a better mix of energy between hydrocarbons and renewables. And so it's about a 2 to 3 year possible uncertainty, but I actually love where we're going.
Yeah.
But it's going to be treacherous in between.
Well, you're making a bet that will be the response. I would agree with you, but I don't think other people agree. I would say people are looking and saying, I can't go to the gas station anymore. It's too expensive. I'm buying an EV. We are seeing some of that. But on the other side, you're hearing people say, start drilling here
Absolutely.
Again. Do you agree with that?
But Liz, we are drilling. Let's be clear. So let's talk about what has happened in the energy sector in the United States. From 2013 to 2017, we invested 40% higher than any other time. We over-invested and we saw a lot of losses in a lot of the startup companies, a lot of the shell companies. And then as a reaction to the over-investment, the last 4 years, we under-invested by 40%.
Shoot, hold on. It glitched. One sec. Come on. All right. Oh, yeah, it glitched out for a second. It might come back on, so I'll leave the audio on just so we can kind of hear. This uranium thing is going wild right now. So this is interesting. Let's see if there's any more. Yeah, this is crazy. So the calls on this are up 41%, but they lag. So they're about to be up. They should be up more right now, in my opinion. These should be up more. We got these plays like around these candles right here. Right around this area at 9:46, and it's ripping up now. So SPY, let's see what happens with this. I mean, this is a decent strangle going into the end of the week. If we start to see, look at this. If we start to see this develop, and they're going to start putting sanctions on uranium and nuclear power, oh, these are going to go crazy. That's the news. They're considering sanctions. If it breaks 10, what's the chain look like for it? What's the float? Nothing too crazy. Let's see what happens here. Someone here? Oh, here it is.
I mean, you get beat up by the left and the right. I mean, how did that not get through?
They didn't read my letters.
I did, the last one.
Larry, stay right here.
Okay.
We've got much more ahead. And I do want to point this out. Your employees and your company and you have donated about $1.8 million over at BlackRock to the situation in Ukraine to help in the humanitarian crisis. The Red Cross is working 24/7 to support and comfort those affected by the crisis. Join Fox in support. Will you join Fox in supporting Red Cross relief efforts? You can donate now by going to redcross.org/Fox forward. More with our exclusive interview with Larry Fink.
All right, so we'll get Fink on after this. He'll be coming back on in a couple of minutes. UUUU is still looking really strong. Let's see what happens with that. I mean, I have the puts and the calls. I think it's going to be a little volatile, so let's see. 116% on UUUU. There you go, man. There you go. The calls are up 36%. The puts are down 40. So, but I went a lot lighter on the puts, and they're deeper out of the money. So I have a lot more on the call side just because I think it's going to keep coming up. John, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I spent my whole week playing 1348 on the SPY and crushed it. Thank you for giving me the confidence to day trade. John, I love to hear that, man. Thank you for taking the time to learn the strategy and actually get in there and implement it for yourself. Good job, man. And thank you for that super, bud. I appreciate it a lot. BlackRock's just buying all the houses, so you'll have to be able to be a lifetime renter. Yeah, from them. Like, that's what they're doing. Let's see. UUUU's coming back down. I mean, this could still shark fin. X8 Taco Bell. Oh, did it now. Yep. Oxy, where's this headed? Oxy back down. SPY flickering around a little bit over here. Thank you. 1348. Yeah, there we go. Guys, remember, if you guys want to get in there, Discord links in the top over there. There is a channel in the Discord if you want to get into the premium, so you get all the live streams, all the different time frames on what do you call it? 350 stocks, cryptos. And then it's me, TMI, and Review Dork. So make sure you guys get in there if you're interested. And the free alerts are coming to an end this week, so make sure you guys are careful. Patrick, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Made some more on SPY calls and locked in the profit. This is for you, my G. Patrick, I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Lockheed selling. Oh, baby. $50 on X today. There you go. Quad U. Yeah, it should be coming down a little bit here. See what happens with the strangle. Yeah, come back down. Let's see what happens with the news cycle overnight. See what they start to say and what happens tomorrow morning. Let's see. Lewis, I had a very meh day, too. There was nothing too crazy going on. A lot of the moves already happened overnight. It was just overnight moves happening. Warner Brothers release dates The Flash and Aquaman moved to 2023. Did they now? Ooh. Just a reminder, sit up straight. Oh, man, don't do that to me now. All right, let's see if they're still on commercial. Yeah, they're still on commercial. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that, man. Guys, you guys know you don't have to send in supers if you don't want to. But thank you guys so much for those of you who do send those in. It really helps out a whole lot. Thank you, guys. Do you think oil's going to go back up? Eventually, yes. Unless there's a ceasefire and everything's fine. GLD is ripping? Not really, no. Let's see here. 1579 on Amy. Oxy still coming down. Yeah, bounce up off that 25 MA a little bit. You holding yours overnight? The quad U's? Yeah. I have to. I mean, I can't. It's trading with unsettled funds. So hopefully we get a big move overnight. I mean, we've seen it. Let's take a look at the past. I mean, it does move. This thing is pretty volatile. So let's see here. Let's see. John, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Here's the super because you said don't. All right. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that. Putting Tesla in the beginner alerts is kind of shitty. Who gets started on options trading Tesla? We also have Uber, Apple, and Micron. So if you have more money to trade with, you can trade Tesla. We put something for everybody in there. So Chris, so no, it's not shitty. It's putting something in there for everybody. Let's see. Yeah, Quad U coming down, SPY coming down, Amy coming down here and selling. Ooh. LT. Yeah, coming up a little bit here. BP crossed up. Exxon trying here. Where's oil? 109.85. Let's see. Let's see. Buffett margin call 357. All right, let's see if Larry Fink's back on. Yep.
The bear market down 20% or more from its recent highs. Tech, many people say, is oversold. Do you agree with that? Do you think that tech is sort of oversold, or do you like something else? What else is oversold where you say it's cheap enough now?
I would say the overall market for long-term investors is a good entry level to get in right
Larry
now.
Fink
On
says
tech
buy the
specifically,
dip.
people were buying growth stocks indiscriminately, and there were some that were heavily overvalued. It would have taken them years to meet their revenue projections, and I think there's just been a reassessment. I mean, you see companies like Apple that hasn't really moved because they're in a really good position, and then you see other tech companies, some of them are down as much as 75%, and that's just a reevaluation of, is that growth real or not real?
What happens when the Fed raises rates? They are supposed to raise rates next Wednesday. They
Yes.
say that they will be on a trajectory, a longer-term multi-rate hike movement here. What happens to those companies that are still a little frothy?
So I think in those cases they're going to continue to fall, but I think much of the Fed's rate projections is probably in the market. I think it's not an evaluation, but I would argue today, whatever, 2-3 weeks ago, before the Ukrainian war, I would have said, the Fed was poised to raise 7 or 8 times. I don't think that's going to be the case now.
Can I just say something? I was walking around Manhattan and something unsettling happened to me. And I wasn't a homeless guy, using the sidewalk as a bathroom, but I'm walking and I see this billboard. Can you show this thing?
Oh, okay.
I mean, this literally,
I'll tell you what
we have the billboard, because this freaked me out. I don't think I've recovered from this.
Well, nor have I, because
Who is Larry Fink?
Yeah, I would like them to at least use a nicer picture of me. I mean,
It looked like Dr. Evil,
Yeah.
and oh god, it was horrible. And it's pretty stupid when you go through the organization's literature, because I know you, and you have been a guy that's a moderate on this. You piss off, let's face it, Elizabeth Warren on one side, the other side doesn't like you, but there is an issue with ESG. You guys do it. Everybody does it.
Yes.
One of the things I think this whole Ukraine-Russian conflict exposes is that there's a lot of holes in ESG. That, it stops some of our domestic oil production. It could make us dependent on electric vehicles, where the batteries, and you and I have had this conversation, yes. The batteries are essentially the minerals in the batteries come from China.
Well, they come from Africa, but they're manufactured in China.
But I guess my point is, does the ESG have to change the parameters, at least to recognize?
I think there is a role for everything. ESG is not responsible for all the ills, and it's not going to be responsible for all the successes.
Right.
I actually believe, and I'm very proud of American capitalism in the last week, and this is part of S.
Right. So environmental, social.
No, but when you see how many American companies who've walked away from their business in Russia.
Yeah.
They did it because their employees were talking to them, their clients were talking to them. That's a great example of how we modify our behaviors. And this is the adaptability of American capitalism. 10 years ago, that would not have happened. And look at the success. We have an economic war against Russia right now, and it's much more complete than just governmental sanctions. Governments did not call people up and say, stop doing business in Russia. It was corporations doing it on behalf of their employees, on behalf of their...
But let me just press this point a little bit. And for example, McDonald's, under ESG, McDonald's can open up, and this is when Putin was still killing people. They could open up whatever they wanted to in Russia. They opened up a lot of McDonald's in Russia. ESG did not prevent McDonald's investment in Russia.
Or should it?
But should it recognize that, for example, when I went to the NASDAQ, they have these listing portfolios, which is kind of modeled after ESG investing. They said, okay, U.S. companies should have diversity on their boards, which is fine. That's a great thing.
Okay.
But I said, how come? And I said, well, are the Chinese going to put Uyghurs on the board of their companies? And of course they're not. And of course, we're not going to mandate that. Isn't that a hole in ESG?
Well, I think you're building it into more than what it is. It is just a framework of evaluation of companies. And every company must do what is right for them. It is not for us or anybody to tell you what to do, but every board and management team should design a strategy, how they connect with their employees, how they connect with their clients, and importantly, how do they connect with all their communities? And that's what I believe what ESG is how to be working with all your stakeholders, and you build more durable, more successful profitability for your shareholders.
Has it become too formalized with the proxy firms saying you got to do this?
I mean, look, we don't follow the proxy firms. This is why we built up our own corporate stewardship team. But I really believe the whole essence of what American companies are doing in the last 2 weeks really highlights this. I'm proud to say I'm an American capitalist about what is going.
All right, enough of that. Gasparino's just being a dummy. So we got about 5 minutes left, people. AMC is up 1.95% on the day. It's at 1569 over here. Let's see. Russian claim Ukraine has chemical weapons laughable. Interesting. Okay. So I don't know. Let's see what happens with this uranium thing coming up. That could be pretty interesting. Let's see. Charles, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Please look at USWS 9K new wells 2 billion Doug bounce. Ooh, USWS. Dude, this is, oh my God, this thing got hammered with the oil move. Just hammered with the oil move today. I mean, it's oil right now. WTI is at 109.96. Brent's at 112.72. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, when did they do this? Well, they did an offering. That's why. So it's an offering. Maybe once that's bought up, it'll come back up. Let's see here. Yeah, guys, also, if you don't mind, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm. If you're enjoying the stream today, helps you just easier to find it when we're coming back tomorrow. So thank you guys so much. Remember my Tesla on the free Discord? If someone can afford to trade Tesla, their cheap ass can afford the premium Discord. Well, we just put it in there for people. Like, we just wanted to get something in there for people on all time frames. So we just put something in there for everyone. Chris, I didn't mean to snap at you, buddy. I thought you were coming off being an a-hole. It's hard to understand the tone in some of the chat sometimes. Joshua, thanks for the super, buddy. Can you check Ortex on RMO? Yeah, let's do an Amy Ortex first though. Let's see. AMC Ortex. What do we got here? So for Amy, net borrow 457,000 shares, 20.7% estimated shortage, just 1.69% average cost to borrow. RMO. Yeah, what's this one? Romeo Power. 17.6 our net return of 48,000 shares, 28.57 estimated short interest, 78% utilization, 2.32% average cost to borrow on that thing. Uranium. I mean, there could be some more news coming out about this tomorrow. If there is, that'll be interesting. SPY's selling off here a little bit. Biden coin. Check the news on UUUU, like over here. U.S. ban on Russian energy imports doesn't include uranium source 1 day ago, but now they're considering it. Yeah, that's 1 day ago. Today, it's different. Today it's a different piece of news that they're now considering it. What time is happy hour? 3, I think. All right, SPY selling off into close here. Amy holding nicely here. Let's see. Oxy, where's this at? Oxy holding pretty good today. Let's see. Let's see here, folks. You're holding through the night on UUUU. I mean, I am too, only because I have to, and I like the strangle on it. I mean, it's already green. The strangle is green right now, so let's see what happens with it tomorrow. Yeah, Chris, my bad, buddy. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to be an asshole. HSV had knee surgery yesterday, too drugged up to trade today, but tomorrow I'm hopping back on the 1348 train. Diamond back in. Hope you're feeling better, buddy. I mean, today was a good day to skip, honestly. Today was a decent day to skip trading. It was just a wild, like, just silly, nonsense, flickery day. No volume on Amy today. What is it? 24.5 million? Yeah, nothing. Amy flickering, SPY flickering. Let's see. Today's been fun. Made bank up and down on multiple trades. Tim, atta boy. I know, you've been crushing it, buddy. So, ding, ding, ding. The market is closed. Let's see here. Amy closed the day at 1571. SPY up 2.66%, 427.33. Jesus, this thing is crazy. Uranium stock, energy fuels, $9.68. Oxy closed 57.48. Not bad over here, guys. So if you guys are going to head out here, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way out, and make sure you check out the Discord linked into the top over there. You got all night. You got 2 days left to really get in on a lot of that free action over there before it starts to go away. Again, shout out to all the mods, the members, everybody that's just being supportive. You guys are awesome. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. So let's see. I might have a video coming out for you guys tonight. I probably will. We'll have to wait and see. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for a great day. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. Hit that like button on the way out, and peace.